find a baby daddy no more or anything like that. So none of you guys are getting a test.
Leave me alone, me.
Yeah, listen to what
She's
she
gonna have to
say.
get out
What?
there because at this point, it's stressful to me. It's stressful to me, and I'm not doing nothing that's gonna stress me out.
Yeah, it's not about her being stressed. It's not about her feelings at all. She's selfish. It's about that daughter knowing who her daddy is. Fuck your feelings. It's
I don't know,
stressful to
y'all.
me that I gotta go to court.
Mm.
It's stressful to me. I gotta be in a meeting with an attorney that's gonna explain the process to me about something that I don't even want to go through, but I have to go through. But I'm still doing it, not because my feelings and I'm happy about it. Nah, I'm not happy doing this. I'm putting my feelings to the side. Fuck my feelings. Sometimes I understand why niggas run away. I understand why niggas don't want to be there and they just be ghosting on females.
Okay.
Cause all this stress that you gotta go through. Lawyers, courts, who wanna go through all that? Nobody wanna go through all that.
And so
But
why are you going so hard, knowing that you may have like an outlet or something like that? Which is very bad to say because she just admitted that she don't want to get any of you guys tested anymore. She don't care who the baby daddy is or anything like that. The reason, like, explain to me why you still go so hard or why you still so deeply solely invested.
cause all the shit she done did and said and the CPS calls she made on me and all that, telling people in her lives to call CPS on me. I want to get my payback and I want to be there for my daughter at the same time if it's mine.
Now, allegedly, she said in her defense, even though I'm very unbiased in the show. I like to get the teas from both sides and everything like that. Welcome to the Royce review. Now, in her defense, she said she did not sleep with you. So, how could you guys formulate a baby or child if you guys never had sex? Then now that's in her defense. That's what she's been proclaiming. Okay.
Right.
Okay. So, if this turns out to not be true, let's say if you get a DNA test and the baby doesn't turn out to be yours, like, will you be relieved? Would you be shocked? Would you be devastated or anything like that?
I'll be relieved. I will I will. It will be so much weight lifted off me. The question mark of that baby being mine. I don't care if people think I fucked her or not. I know what happened, so I'll be relieved. But I know Callie Blue gave her son the condom, and she said she don't remember that she woke up with the condom on the floor.
So wait,
So
so Callie Blue gave his son a condom
yeah,
to
that's what he
purposely
said.
have sex with her?
Yeah, as he should. If you give your son a condom,
Well, hold on. He
you don't think?
grown. The son should be grown. Now, I know Callie Blue just found his son or whatever after spending 23 years in prison and everything like that. However, be that as it may, maybe he was trying to bond and have a son and father thing, like a relationship, which is why he gave him a condom. I mean, first of all, the son should not be hunching no in that whore. No shade. Thank y'all for the gift. Thank you, Lady Lavish. I see all y'all gifts, baby. When I do this, I'm saying thank you to all of you guys. I love all of y'all. Thank you for supporting my life. I see it. Thank y'all. We almost to the first box. Thank you. But simply being said, if Callie was talking to her first, because they met on Bigo, he
Hmm.
shouldn't be giving his son no condom to smash during there like his leftovers or what. I don't get it. I don't understand how that works. I guess men are men at the end of the day. I guess the father can have son, the son can have son, everybody can have son, allegedly. I don't know. So for him to give her the condom, it was a whole, this is just a mess to find that out. Okay, continue on. I'm sorry for interrupting you. Go ahead. Continue
I'll
on.
be. I'll be happy. I'll
Like, if
be
my woman
happy
give me
and
a condom, I'd be like, girl, what the, maybe, I don't know. Go ahead. I'm so sorry. So you'll be happy if the child isn't yours.
yeah. I just know what I did on March 26th and March 27th in the morning time. I know what I did. You gave birth January 17th. So, of course, I'm going to be questioning if it's mine's or not. But if it's not mine's, I'm going to be happy. And if it is, this is going to shut everybody up. And I'm going to be there and do what I got to do for my daughter. That's
Now,
it.
now, what do you say to the people that says Polly is just, a clout chaser? He's just trolling. He know he's not the baby daddy. He just wanted to. Sorry, you're also receiving love from this situation, and you're also receiving backlash as well. How are you handling the backlash from the situation?
The backlash is just, it motivates me to go through this process even more, like just to shut everybody the fuck up. I don't care
Mhm.
about the backlash. Like I know I trolled,
Thank you,
I
Queen.
know I came on live and was on my bullshit. I know y'all may call it clout chasing before. Yeah, I did all that. I've been on my bullshit on this app, just like everybody else. But this is a real situation with me. I know what happened March 26th and March 27th. And I'm gonna stand by that. Like that's the real true story. I didn't just eat Leah out. You shitting me or you kidding me? I just ate you out? Fuck out of here. You on the internet playing these games lying with a straight face. Just lying after lying. Just so many lies. Bitch is a compulsive liar.
And you're really adamant about it. At first, I'm not going to even hold you. I'm not going to lie to you. I thought it was trolling. I thought you were, not necessarily seeking attention, but you knew you lined up in the madness, and you knew you were one of the men. Thank y'all for the gifts. Thank y'all so much. I greatly appreciate it. You're one of the men that was involved in this situation, and so it was a moment for you to take it away, because I know you do internet. I know you go viral. You really do go viral. And like
Yeah.
outside of Bigo, this man has went viral before. So it was a moment for you to, grasp onto something and keep your little name or whatever. But you are really going hard. Like in like 7 minutes, we're gonna go to court with you exclusively. And like in 7 minutes, we'll be at the court case and everything like that. You're filing TPO and everything against her. Like it's giving you're really going through with all of this.
Yeah. And for those who believe that I only ate her out and I spent the night with her, just cuddling in the bed, just holding her. Yeah, for those who believe that I was just holding her hand all night in that hotel room that night, and I just ate her out and we just fell asleep after that and just cuddled, you some stupid motherfucker.
I mean, cause that does sound a little strange. I mean, she had sex with everybody else that she met up with on the app except for you. I mean, I can kind of see where there's some question marks around that. What made him not so special when, I mean, she don't have sex with Nature Boy. She don't have sex with Pastor. She don't have sex with the Son and the Father and the
Yeah,
Holy
she
Ghost and
lied.
the
She
Spirit.
lied. For those who said she don't lie about her pussy, she always claimed the niggas that she fucked. That's a lie. Cause she fucked SK, slept over SK
Sauce
house 3 times.
Poppy, SK. I mean, the list goes
She
on.
claims, but she claims that she never fucked SK.
Well, Nature Boy said something else different, so I don't know. He said he had her spread open wide on her mom's on the back patio on the sunroof on that little couch. You can go watch that on YouTube on the video,
But
or maybe
she do
Nature Boy
lie.
was
She
lying too.
do lie about her bodies. It made she just trying to make it seem like, oh, she just trying to take away. Let's say she really fucked 30 niggas. She's just trying to make it seem like she only fucked 15 niggas. But you know it's really like 30.
Not divided
So
by
people
two.
won't believe like, oh, she claimed 15 people. What about the other 15? She's a fucking liar. She not honest about her pussy. That bitch is sick for creating all this mess and lying.
Not,
That's only gonna affect the child. Only gonna affect the child, nobody else. Selfish ass, petty, childish ass bitch.
It's giving very much. I don't want this to continue on because the baby is suffering. They're calling FBI to the house, SWAT teams, and everything. It's giving very much. The baby is really suffering, and she refuses to get down off of the internet. It's like she has something to prove to you guys that you guys are not running her off. You guys are not running her away, no matter what you say. Blah blah blah. I'm still gonna be here. Like she really got something to prove to you guys. And I don't see why a new mother has to get so much validation from, not for nothing, I love y'all, but strangers and people in the comments and people you don't know, people you probably won't ever see, and things like that. Oh yeah, Sauce Poppy and everything. She was ready to fight about him, honey. She was ready to fight the girls on the app about Sauce Poppy. So I don't get why she just won't sit down and take a break and then come back in 30 days. Girl, your people gonna be still here. Your support, whoever, whatever you feel like you're missing on, the drama, the mess, the content, it's all gonna still be here. Okay? So I don't get it, but they're willing to lose their mind for Bigo or whatever, and we're gonna continue to bring y'all the hottest and the latest and the juiciest tea. Now you do have 3 minutes before this court case starts. Okay, before your court case start, it's in 3 minutes. So that link that you sent, can we? I'm gonna stream off of that link, and I hope that my partner will be available as well, because we're gonna do some digging to see if you're really valid. Okay.
I'm gonna get ready for the Zoom call. It's about to be like 3 minutes to there. So I'm gonna get off Bigo and go on Zoom. If you
Okay.
have trouble, if you have any trouble getting on or anything, just let me know.
I will. All right. So keep looking out for my messages on the back end, and I would definitely let you know. Because
Alright.
we cannot miss this. If anything, we might need you to jump up in the box and stay up in the box. I don't know, y'all. We got to get the hottest and the exclusive tea on how it's going to be. A cute cam down session like this, that could work too. Because I think if we show it, we'll get clipped. If we show it. But we darn sure can tune in and listen to it.
Somebody could come in the full page and show it.
Okay, we gotta get some foo-foo pages. Yeah, but we can listen to it. But if we show it, it's clipation of the situation. We are out of here. Okay, all right. Well, keep us posted, and I'll be tuned in and everything, looking in and everything like that to make sure I bring y'all the exclusives, baby. We cannot miss it. We cannot miss it.
Alright.
Okay, my love bud. See you later.
I'll log in.
Good luck.
Alright.
Ooh! You can show, I think, other broadcasters show court. But now we got new rules now. So you see how the other day I wasn't doing the dance or anything, even like trying to put my hair right here, they've been clipping boots. New rules. You don't got to be doing nothing. We gonna watch it. Yeah, you gonna watch it with me. That's why y'all here. I'm bringing y'all exclusive top tea. Hello. Y'all know the stuff lined up for y'all. That's why y'all here. Yeah, they clipping like crazy. So instead of me showing it to y'all gonna have to listen in. Thank you, but I did want to get to the first box before we even got into the ones and twos, y'all. I really did. Thank you, my love. Thank you for getting it. We got to get to the first box. All right, Facchini, what's going on? Bigo Lips, let's talk about it, y'all at the Royce Review. Thank y'all for calling in. How may we help you? You like that? Think y'all need to come on, y'all. Come on. Five more shields. What you have to say, my love? You at the Rush Review?
You hear me?
I can. You're breaking up, but if I mute the box next to you, you may be coming in clear. Hold on. I'll mute the next box. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Try now.
And so my daughter was born December 18th. I conceived March 6th, right? Here she go right here. Hold on. So that means if PolyGod messed with Leah March 20th, he was born January. That's much. That's pretty.
Oh, you waking her up. Oh, she is so cute. Oh, that baby was so cute. Her service messing up, y'all. But I like you here, Chris. Yeah, I ain't fake. I try to be fair to both sides. No shade. Even though I don't like that, y'all still be trying to defend that stupid ass. So I don't even like that bitch. Okay, but I try to. You see how I give the question? You could be trolling, you could be cloud chasing, or whatever the case may be. See, I'm very real, unbiased in my show. I don't like that bitch. I want that to be clear. That's the only one person on earth I don't like. Okay, I love everybody. I'm very nice. Okay, I'm gonna stomp that bitch when I see her. Period. On everything. On God. On G. Period. Big ol' lips. Let's go. I think it was a lighter. Big ol' lips. You know you in the queue, baby. You at the rush review. I'm looking at my thing. Whether he queue it here or queue it here, they'll let me know. Please, no loyalty tickets. No loyalty tickets. Girl, she don't know. She don't even know she in the queue.
Hey y'all, what's going on?
Hey, pretty girl. What's the tea? What's the word on the
Hey
curb? You at the
boo.
rush review?
Okay, so this is what I think. Okay, we all know, and I'm new to this, but we all know that Leah did what she did with some of everybody, right? Okay, so at first, okay, I did it, whatever. Now it's a storyline. Why would I give into a DNA test when I can keep it going and keep my gifts coming because they've increased? My everything
Ooh.
has increased. So think about it. She's strategizing right now. Long as I hold it out, I stay relevant. He talking, we gonna talk our little shit. They gonna record it. They gonna play it. They gonna talk about it. That keeps me fucking relevant. And then people feel pity on me, and they come in there. I can play that little sad ass sob story. Show the baby this, that a little bit. Look at me being mama. And no matter what, people, that's how she almost got me. Now,
Mm.
I feel that also PolyGod did the exact same thing. Now, do I think that I'm just being honest?
Mm-hmm.
This is just hey, I'm on the
Ooh.
outside.
I love when my
Okay,
callers call. I love when y'all call in.
okay. So yes, I feel that yes, it is a true clout. I didn't know him before this, not saying that I'm just knowing everybody, but this right here set it off.
Mm.
And I went into his live and he popping.
Mm.
Okay. Callie Blue, you asked why would Callie Blue give his son a condom? How old is his son?
That man wrong. I don't know. He about 30. You late. Hurry
So
up.
look,
Look at my
so
boy.
look,
He late.
so look, hey son, let's get this bitch together. She watching you. Get that bitch. Go on ahead. She a freak. She'll give it up. So why wouldn't he? Why
Mm.
would okay? First thing conversation. Second, if he got any sense, he knows she a hoe. Give my son a condom. You know what I'm saying? So she don't, pass on whatever else that's going on, right? Okay. So I was looking up something real quick, and it says first come the first day of your last menstruation. Next, count back 3 calendar months from that date.
Mm.
So if she had the baby in March, right?
Mm-hmm.
It
No,
says
they
count
had
back.
sex in March 25th through the 26th. Go ahead.
Okay. So
We
when
not
was the
late for
baby
court.
born? The baby was born when?
January
So
17th.
it says that you are to count back 3 calendar months, and that will determine when you got pregnant.
Mm-hmm.
So if we count back 3 calendar months, she had the baby in January. So that is December, November, October. So let's say September, October is
Mm-hmm.
when that girl. Think about it. You know what I'm saying? If you count back, or whichever way it is, it's not totally landing on PolyGod. I'll have to look it up and explain it, okay? And don't talk about Lady What. Hell, I'm reading the fucking internet.
So you
I'm
don't
just
think it
telling you.
landed on Polygon's date?
Well, let me just say this. What I think and then what I'm saying wrong is it says to determine from the first day of your last menstrual period. So I'm calculating from birth. So I'm saying it wrong, guys, but I'm reading from the internet and I know it to be true. Okay? So I don't think Leah really knows. That's another thing that she really don't know. A hoe is a hoe. A hoe is a hoe. And I mean, and hey, Pretty Girl 73 said, you ain't got to go and question or ask nobody else. You can come and ask me straight to my face. I'm grown enough to say it. A hoe is a hoe. We all didn't have promiscuous days, male, female, or not. You didn't have them things, so just admit that pussy was popping and you was all over the streets with it. Now,
Ooh.
you didn't have to put it all over Bigo because it's probably stinking. You know, you didn't have all these different nuts,
Ooh.
bareback you at that. So they injecting shit. If you don't clean that shit right, that shit funky.
It
So
stinks.
you
It
just
stinks.
passing, taking all that. You know what I'm saying? She said she right. You count back 3 months, add 7 days to the due date, and you will get the date of conceit.
Mm.
That's what I was trying to say. So I'm just
Ooh.
telling y'all, it ain't all landed on PolyGod. You know what I'm saying? They'll come out the
Ooh.
window. Now the world knows I'm the pappy. DJ, man,
Ooh.
you stupid. But anybody, I'm the baby's pappy. And I mean, and nothing. I'm not trying to disrespect her because she's in her 20s. I have a 28-year-old that I remember what I was doing. I was hunching earlier, didn't fuck, but we all didn't, your little shit get to popping. But your
Ooh.
mama should have explained that shit to you than jumping on the train like she's some Debo type of shit, talking shit in the background, call his this and that. What is that gonna prove? Y'all just doing it the wrong fucking way. Why is all your business on Bigo and then you get mad when somebody has an opinion on it? If
So
you
coming
don't
from an
want
older
nobody to
lady
know,
that been there, done that, my love, because you from the days that I really respect. That's why people think I have an older spirit because I look up to you guys and I
you
learn from
do,
you guys. What do
you
you
do.
think about the mama clamping her back and consoling her and actually, allowing her to be in this type of nonsense and mess? What do you think about that?
Well, let me say this: generational curses.
Oh,
So when you don't, if that's what you was born into,
y'all, we got.
guess what you pass down. Some people don't know to look outside and reach for more. People don't know that your more is inside of yourself and you search within yourself
Uh-huh.
because you got a purpose and you stand 10 toes down on that bullshit fuck another motherfucker and you stand down on that shit. But when you got hoes in your family that's teaching you how to be a hoe, you know what I'm saying? Then y'all said she don't have a job. So this is her job.
Not the mama.
Am I just being too real?
We love it at the Royce Review. We love it. Go ahead, baby. You making my lash lift up. Go
Okay,
ahead.
so I so be in your comments all the time. Like this is like the most stupid and childish shit I've ever seen. That's how I know they turned it into a fucking storyline. Because PolyGod, if you in the window, in the comments or whatever, if you really want to go about this, go down there, put your ass on child support. They'll give you a fucking DNA test. If it's
Mm-hmm.
yours, you're gonna be put on child support. If it ain't, you're done. Go do that instead of I'm going. If he was on there begging for cash apps so he can go to the lawyer. No, if that's what you want to do, because you open up that bitch's leg and stuck your dick in her. So if that's what you want to do, that's on you. That ain't on me to send you the cash apps so you can go find out if you no. Be a man, stand down, nigga. Go sell that dick now. You didn't gave it up to this tramp.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sorry, but go put that bitch out on the corner. Get what you gotta get. Take a leg. Take a leg, motherfucker. I'm just being honest, and I'm not. I'm maybe saying it kind of cruel, but I'm just trying to be very straightforward, transparent, where you ain't gotta guess it. That's what I'm saying. So if you really want, I mean, he had a mic and everything. I'm like, what the fuck you got the karaoke mic in the living room? Lord, I'm sorry. That shit was funny as fuck. I'm like, he was talking to past or whatever. But I'm just saying, anybody, it seems like, 'cause every time I get on here, you guys have discovered another dude and another dude
Yeah.
and another dude.
All the
Okay?
time. They hit us up all the
All the
time.
time.
I always have that
All
initiative
the
going
time.
on. But I love Pretty
Yes.
Girl, y'all, and I love that her hair wrapped up. She comfortable. She getting ready for the show. We're gonna drop the exclusive tea
Yes.
and everything like that in the one in the streets. Y'all give us 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Bet. Bet. I will come up here and help analyze it and break it down to a whole nother fucking degree.
Okay. Thank you, my love. We appreciate you, baby. Thank you.
Love
Love you down.
Hey, Royce. Hey, comment section. Royce, I just want you to do something real fast for me. because I'm pregnant right now. My last period was August 28th. Can you tell me how many months I'm pregnant right now?
Girl, not you pregnant. First of all, girl, you gonna tell us how many months you pregnant. You pregnant,
No,
girl.
because y'all calculating shit, and I'm telling y'all my last menstrual cycle. So I want y'all to tell me how many months I'm pregnant.
You 7 months pregnant, goddammit.
No,
Okay.
I'm not, D Rich. You hella dumb. I'm 6.
It's giving
Boy,
very
bye.
much. Okay, girl. It's giving very
How am I
much.
hella dumb, goddammit, and I'm the one got you pregnant?
Okay. Oh, it be the exclusive tea.
Goddammit.
Oh. Okay, y'all,
Goddammit.
we setting up the ones and twos behind the scenes as we speak right now. Make sure y'all don't go nowhere because we is about to go to court. He ain't started yet. We ain't up yet, but we are up live and loaded. But we cannot. We trying to figure out who's gonna jump in the camera at court. Go ahead, D. Rich.
Hey, look, I'm gonna tell you something. We can stop all this storyline now. Leah, tell the truth. It's between me and DJ Maine. Tell the goddamn truth. It's
Not
between
D-
me and DJ Maine. Goddammit, stop it.
not DJ Main hit
Goddammit.
it too. DJ Main hit it too.
Yes.
We ain't gonna say nothing, and we're gonna say nothing. Empanadas. Here, let me give you the one. Let me give you the ones and twos. Okay, y'all. Hold tight, hold tight. We got the ones and twos coming near you. Check your messages. Check your ones and twos. Check your ones and twos. I think I have to sit in the camera. I think I gotta sit in the camera at court, y'all, so we won't get kicked out. But could we please get to the first box? It's only 4 more shields. Who got 4 shields? 4 shields. They're telling me I gotta sit in the camera. Okay? We're getting it set up so that we can turn on the camera. Okay? Let me know. Ooh. Okay, but we still good. Okay. Hold on, y'all. I'm begging in June. Y'all don't move nowhere. Double. Okay. Oh, ain't on the ones and twos. Pull it up, and then turn the camera on. We getting into the room. Okay. All right. All right. All right. Hold on. It ain't started. I'm watching it, y'all. Y'all think I'm gonna leave y'all empty-handed? I'm watching it. Hold on. We gotta get accepted in. Hold on. Dang. You got the ones and twos? Bring it. Bring it. Did it work? Okay. Oh, we in. Okay, come on.
Oh, I didn't know what you want me to
Cause
do.
you gotta be on the camera.
No, I don't.
They not.
I ain't on the camera.
There's also a part on these forms that asks you whether or not you need assistance from the court. Do you need an
Can I show
interpreter?
it?
Do you need
It's a damn my life. That's
assistance
your life. I
inside
ain't
the
know what you
courtroom in
want,
any
man. I
special
was just
way
doing
or
what you told me
form?
to.
You're allowing the court to know that in advance. So when your file reaches the courtroom, they can know how to better assist you. Okay. These are snapshots of the Cobb County Superior Court Clerk's website, Cobb County Superior Court Clerk.com. That's where you're going to be able to search up a lot of this information, and also the cobbcounty.org website. Both of them are very important. The clerk of court is going to hold onto your records. Some information is going to be available on the internet.
Okay, I'm gonna
It's
show
become
it.
public.
We in court. I'm
Before
gonna
the
show
internet,
it on
it
the
was still
fufu
public. You
page.
just would have had to
Can I
go
do
down
that?
and look at a book at the courthouse. Now it's very much, there's a lot of stuff
I'm gonna
out
put y'all
there.
on the fufu
Okay?
page.
So when I say that, the clerk of court, Cobb Superior Court Clerk.com, you can need to redact your documents. Redact means that
Y'all
you
need
need
to
to
be
blank
getting
out stuff that doesn't have full dates of birth or social security numbers, credit card numbers, and things like that, because you don't want that information to get out there.
Okay.
Plus,
Let me
and
go
if
to
I
the
go
panel.
back one
Come up on the
page,
panel.
Your disclosure numbers and whatnot.
Well, come on.
Personal information.
Come on up here.
If you don't remember any of these websites later, you just remember Cobb County Courts, and you're eventually going to find them, okay? Because on the cobbcounty.org website, there's lots of ways to get to the Cobb Superior Court clerk and the Cobb County judges available all on there. This is a copy of a summons. A summons is basically the document says you need to respond. A lawsuit has been filed, and you need to respond to it. So it's very, very generic. On the top, we have the part that says Jane Doe versus John Doe. The right-hand side, we have the civil action file number and then the summons. And then it says, you are hereby summoned and required to file with the clerk of said court. And if you had an attorney, you'd put the attorney's name in there. If it's your pro se or you're representing yourself, then you put your information in there. And the person who's responding, the person's going to answer that. In this case,
it's John.
I'm
going to pull a fake page up.
He's got 30 days to answer. File an answer and counterclaim. Okay, that's 30 days. So 30 days is magic in the court system. If you can't remember too much, remember, you get a complaint for divorce, you're served with it, you got 30 days to respond. You hop into it. It's 1 month. These are our two. On the left is the disclosure statement. I was just talking about that, asking what type of case you have, and if you have any previously related cases, and then you describe them down below, like what type of case they would have been, and is it still pending? Sometimes we have cases that are still pending. Yes, I got a
Royce,
case
I'm
right now.
pulling it up too, just in case.
A divorce case with my current husband, and I've got
Mute yourself. That wasn't me, y'all. Well, while we waiting, DJ, you got blocked because I think you was the DJ throwing shade at me, right? Okay, well, while Royce is working on the technical difficulties, I'm pulling it up as well. So give me a second. I know, I think Royce double muted, y'all. Hold on. She double muted, but I just got here, so I'm literally pulling everything up too as well. Okay, she back. I'm pulling it
We
up
got
too.
it without echoing, but I got to mute, y'all. I got to mute.
But we can't hear nothing, Royce. You know that, right?
Yeah, the fake page should be going live. Can y'all tell the fake page? Let me help them. Hold on.
Hold on, y'all. She gotta go fix the fake page device. Hold on. We heard her. Okay, bitch, I don't care if you heard her. Don't make me ask for admin and get you out of here. I don't give a fuck what you heard, bitch. We basically, PolyGod is in court today, y'all. For the people that don't know what's going on. Now my fucking Zoom. Yeah, for the paternity, y'all. Oh, y'all didn't know what was going on. Oh, okay. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna just download Zoom on my fucking other phone, cause this shit. It say I don't have enough memory on my iPad. What the fuck? Girl, this shit is annoying. Okay. Oh, I got Zoom on this device. Oh, I'm tripping, y'all. I could have been had this shit pulled up. Okay, hold on. Okay, here go the meeting ID. I can't. 44920. Join meeting. Join. Passcode. The fuck is the 09? Can y'all hear me? I'm pulling it up. Oh, let me hurry up. Okay. Y'all, it's pulled up now. Hold on.
Okay, you got a second device?
I'm pulling it up now. Why does it say the host will let you in soon? Damn it.
Mm-hmm.
I got it, Royce, but it's saying the
Okay.
host will let you in.
Cause they did something. It like messed up. Okay, yeah. They put us on a hold. That's what happened to us. Okay.
Oh, for real?
Mm-hmm.
Now the host has removed you from this meeting.
Oh my God.
What?
Dang, that's what happened to us.
Girl, let me try
Okay.
again.
We gotta get in the camera. Who gonna camera? Let me try it
I'm
again
willing
too.
to kill up.
Hold
You know
on.
I don't care.
Y'all, let's try it again. I'm gonna try it again. Cause they had put us on a hold. They ain't kick us out though, but they put us on a hold. Oh, y'all, this is a mess. Okay, let me pull it back up on this one. Let's see if it come up on this phone.
I'm trying to kill him up. They ain't even letting me in. Let me show y'all what it say.
Yeah, we here. Dang, we were just in there, y'all, and they put us on a hold.
This is what screen is on. It's on a black screen, y'all.
Mm-hmm. It's on a hold.
Oh,
Y'all, could y'all give my
I'm muted.
co-host?
I just realized I was muted.
Could y'all give my co-host, please?
Yes, you all season the purse.
Yeah.
Text probably got an ask him to go live. Oh, okay. I should call him. Let me see.
He said he gonna try to come in on the panel on the Fufu page. I'm already texting him, y'all.
Oh, okay. Thank you, boo. Come on, panel.
Mm-hmm. They wrong for that. Could y'all see the panel up? Thank y'all. Trying to bring y'all some hot tea. It ain't us, it's them, y'all. They kicking us out. They kicking us out.
Who acting slow? I don't trust Polly. This could be a skit. No, it's not a skit. He showed us the
Mm-mm.
paperwork. This is actually real.
They kicking us out.
It's a Zoom. It's a Zoom session, D Rich. I don't think. Are y'all not listening?
Are
Some of
y'all
y'all.
not?
Some of
Are
y'all.
y'all not?
Mm-hmm.
It's a Zoom meeting for the. This is Polly's first step to getting his rights and seeing if he can be father.
Right.
Hey, you know what? You say you
Who is this?
hear me.
And I did not even let them up.
Patches, you got all them motherfucking
But what's
echoes and
going
shit.
on? It just did that by itself. Hold on, let me lock this.
Girl, I'm in a Zoom meeting. Oh shit! Hold on, mute. Shit, bitch. I was in there the whole time while I was talking. Shit. Okay, let me connect. I'm connecting to the speaker. Hold on, y'all. Shit, hopefully it let me connect to the speaker. Shit.
Bluetooth connected. So they would bring it to them.
What's
If
your
the
trap? What's
person
your
lives in a
we
different
need
county,
a
for example, they live in Fulton County, I might want to hire the Fulton County Sheriff's Department to do it. If I'm going to mail anything to the Fulton County Sheriff's Department, I want to make sure I do the same thing I did with the clerk of court: prepaid, posted, and a copy. And I'll make sure that I also include the payment that's required. Could be $50, like it is here in Cog County. Could be more. If the person lives in another state or in a different place, you might have to hire what we call a personal process server or process server. That's somebody who is appointed by the court to deliver legal documents. Here in Cobb County, they have a whole list of people that are authorized and other counties have people that are listed authorized. In other states, they have a different procedure for doing that. The sheriff in most states and most places around here will deliver legal papers. But again, it gets complicated if you're dealing with stuff out of the state. Was $50 the last time we had somebody served here? I still believe it's $50 here in County. That's on top of the fees that you file to file. Okay, so additional fees. So right off the gate, you're at about $300 in. If you file a fee waiver, the sheriff isn't going to do the fee waiver program. The court will do a fee waiver, but you will probably still be required to pay for the sheriff if you use the sheriff's service. Sometimes we don't know where the other person went to. You know, they were last in the jail or something like that. We don't know where they went to after that. We may get permission by the court to publish the notice in the newspaper. It gets published in the Marietta Daily Journal, about $100 to do that. Never goes down, it always goes up. So our last price that we had was $100. Next week it might be $200. I can't guarantee that. But you want to find out how much before you go that route. Publication also requires the court order to do it. So you have to file an affidavit of due diligence, an affidavit, a sworn statement that says, I don't know where he or she is. The last place I looked was, I looked at the hospital, I looked at the jail, I called his old phone number, checked up on Facebook, called his mom's old number or her mom's old number, called the best man and the best lady in our wedding. I tried to find that person and I couldn't locate them. Or I sent the sheriff out and the sheriff came back with a null persona, meaning that they couldn't find anybody there. And then after that, the court I can't guarantee it, but may issue an order to have them served via publication. And then it would run 60 days in the Marietta Daily Journal. Again, at your own cost. So I've had the fee waiver folks, people I've helped, have to still pay for the Marietta Daily Journal. So even if they got the court fees waived, the Marietta Journal, private business there, they weren't gonna roll with anything except for the money that they received, which was at that time $100. Still is about that. Yeah, next week could change. How do I serve the other party in an existing case? Anytime you file anything with the court, you must notify them. So what you're going to do is file a certificate of service. So for example, my husband serves me with a complaint for divorce, and I'm going to send an answer and counterclaim. What I'm going to do, now that the case is already open, I'm going to fill in my name, Jane Doe, at the top, and I'm going to fill out the certificate of service, and basically down here swear, without being notarized, this one doesn't have to be notarized, but say I actually served them. I'm going to make a photocopy of the certificate of service. I'm going to add a photocopy of whatever I'm filing, the answer and counterclaim, for example, and I'm going to get that filed with the court. So I always have 3 copies. I've got 1 copy for the clerk of court, 1 copy for me, and 1 copy that I'm sending
PolyGod
with
is
the
right
certificate
there.
of service to the other person. So in this case, John, I'm sending John my answer and counterclaim, a certificate of service,
just yet.
and I'm also have 2 other copies, 1 to the clerk, 1 for myself, as proof that it was served. So if I have a note, a letter, a piece of evidence, something I want filed in the court, domestic relations, financial affidavit, settlement statement, whatever I have,
Royce, let up J.
always
Marie.
have a certificate of service that goes along. That
Somebody text Royce and tell her that he's here. PolyGod's here.
Other side a copy. These days, I would also do an email. I'd probably send it down here, letting them know I really did my best to try to make sure the other person had another copy. Some of you people may have arrived in the courthouse already, and the judge will look and say, "There's no proof of service."
Royce, let up.
Especially with pro se or people who are unrepresented.
Let up J. Marie.
And they're like, I didn't know, give it the other person a copy, and the court will then reset your case. You have to waste time, maybe come back in another 30 to 45 days later, having the proof that you actually served the other person. This will be proof that you served the other person with a court date or answering counterclaim for another document after the initial serving with the sheriff. Actual acknowledgement of service.
Mute yourself. I don't want to mute you.
I'm muted. They got everybody muted in here.
Time I'm in the courtroom, this happens every single time. No proof of service. Okay, so the base filing fee is $216, $50 for the sheriff's department, $80 for publication. Actually, this has gone up to $100, and $1 promotion. So if I file a motion,
Put him in the big box.
Is asking the court to do something. Move. I want to move out of this situation. I need the court to do something. The motion really is underlying the move. We're moving someplace, going somewhere with my case. Motion for attorney's fees. Motion for the car. We only have one car in the family. I want to file a motion for vehicle. Motion for change of whatever the circumstances. I want to stay in the house. I'll stay in the house. Motion for the house. There's no fee to file answer. So sometimes I've had clients in the past, I've said, okay, the other one, John filed first. Great. You just saved yourself a whole bunch of money. You don't have to pay for the sheriff anymore. You don't have to pay for publication. You don't have to pay the filing fee. You just saved yourself on the get-go a little bit over $300. So whatever. And then you file the answer and counterclaim, and now you've actually saved the money. So again, name on top, name on bottom. Once your case is in the court, you're both presumed to be at that, I don't want to say same level. The court's going to look at you just name on top, name on bottom. Okay. Are you financially unable to pay the fees? You may file a request to waive the fees. It's called a poverty affidavit. You must include the household income and monthly expenses, and you must attend a hearing for approval. The court will ask you, again, your poverty affidavit. Affidavits are sworn statements, a statement that you make under oath that says, this is how much money you make. This is our household. So when they talk about household, if you live with grandma and grandma's boyfriend and your cousin and your cousin's husband, that's all part of your household. Okay? And it can be that you don't qualify just because everybody in your household makes a bunch of money. Or they make enough. This is really poverty level. So poverty level has been minimum wage. But again, with the things that are going in the economy right now, maybe something different. Your judge would hear it. You would attend a hearing. Could be on Zoom, could be in person, in which you would testify, under oath, swear to tell the truth, that what you're saying is true and correct, before the judge will allow you to waive the fees. So it's not quite as easy. It is possible, but you do have to do some homework. How do I schedule a hearing? The calendar clerk or the scheduler clerk is on the bottom floor, so floor 1 of the Superior Court building. Most of the judges will require you to go to mediation. Again, mediation is an opportunity to talk to you about your case outside of court with a trained mediator, somebody who will facilitate a conversation and dialogue about your case and just try to come up with a resolution that might work for both of you. Mediation does help in that some cases are resolved and they don't have to go to court any longer, or they only need the court's assistance for one thing. Sometimes we have a partial settlement at mediation, and we have everything agreed upon except for child support, everything agreed upon except for the house, everything agreed upon except for child custody. And now we've just saved time and energy because we're only going to go to court to argue one thing. If we argue a full divorce case, and we go way back to 25 years you guys have been married, that case might take us 10 days in court. 10 court days is difficult to schedule, very hard to get 10 straight days with the judge, and it's also costly. So if you have attorneys or you have witnesses, you have friends and family you want to come and testify, remember, they're leaving work, they're leaving whatever their jobs to be able to sit outside a courtroom and just come in for that 10 or 15 minutes that they're going to testify. So again, if you're able to whittle some of the things down in mediation, you might be saving time and energy for everybody involved, including your own family and friends who may be your witnesses in a case. Okay. Again, enough of that. I'm going to roll into scheduling a hearing. Scheduling, if it doesn't have the calendar clerk, a judge's office may do it. So your first step is to call or go in person to the calendar clerk and ask how they schedule for that particular judge. You will need to know your case number, and on your case number, it will have a judge's number. The clerk of court will look it up and will let you know how to schedule. You will need Something important though. For a temporary hearing, you'll need a Rule 9-SI or a scheduling order. And it's just a blank sheet of paper. Well, it's not necessarily blank, but it's going to have time on there what the clerk can fill in with the location, date, time. And for your final hearing, again, that will get filed based on the calendar of the court. If it's an uncontested case, they do them every single morning at 9:30 in the morning here at the courthouse. If it's uncontested, that means both of you agree, all the documents have been filed. If you're doing a divorce case, that's your parenting plan, your financial affidavit, your child support worksheet, and your settlement agreement. Those have all been filed at the court, and there was an acknowledgement of service where the party already had a copy. You can go ahead and get that scheduled for a final hearing any day of the week for 9:30 in the morning. Again, they have a waiting list, so you have to figure out when the space is available. But if you want a Friday, for example, Friday at 9:30, they'll find the next available Friday. Or if you want a Tuesday, next available Tuesday. Okay, hold on, we went back a bit. Some bonus tips here. Be early. Yes, early bird gets the worm. Very important. Dress appropriately. Even if you're on an online thing, make sure that you're dressed appropriately. Some judges are very particular about it. If you're wearing your pajamas, unless you're in a hospital bed, it's really not going to go.
Yes, you guys, this is the first step
Some judges
PolyGod is doing to get his rights. Do the DNA test.
for not looking appropriate. Don't be smoking a cigarette. Make sure you're not eating in front of them. That's not the time to have the Big Mac or to open a Budweiser or anything like that. Be respectful to everyone present. I know that sometimes that I've been in the court, people haven't recognized that I was either a jury or a judge or a attorney, and sometimes people are not so rude. And you know what happens with that? Your case might go dead last. So be polite to everybody, including the clerks, people who work in the ADR offices, just everywhere throughout. Do your best to, I don't want to say pour the sugar on, but yes, be kind and pour the sugar on. If you have any documents you want to show the court, you need to bring them with you to court. If you're going to be appearing on a Zoom hearing, you're going to make sure you follow the judge's rule on how to get those documents into evidence. There are special
Don't
rules
do
on
no
how to do that.
lotteries up in here, stupid.
Have a case in a different county, totally different rule about how to present evidence electronically. So make sure to read those things. If you have questions, to ask the appropriate person. The scheduling orders oftentimes have some instructions about how to get the evidence in. I know that there are other counties that are very close to us. I'm thinking of Cherokee right now, where they do electronic evidence. And you have to put it in a certain way even before you get to court. So again, just follow the rules. Turn off your electronics. Okay, this is big deal. And then one, I don't want to forget this one. Do not bring people who act inappropriately or cause problems. It's very sad to see somebody have a family member that means well. They're great people outside, but once they get to courtroom, they fall apart. They're angry, they're shouting, they're screaming, they're crying excessively, they're standing up, or I'm sorry, if you have kids, it's not a place for kids. Just not a place to do it. If you can't get a babysitter, ask the court to reschedule. See what else you can do. Get your best friend's mother to babysit. Get your best friend's cousin to babysit. Not a place for kids. Turn off electronics. Some of the judges have terrible sense of humor. They might take it for the whole day. They might lock the electronics up. Can be very disruptive. I think I have many stories of that. Have a proposed order. In the self-help packet that comes with the Cobb Bar Association, there's a proposed final decree. Fill it out. Get it ready to go. Less work that somebody has to do. Your name is complicated. My name is complicated. I will tell you this. Have my name spelled many times before, but if I bring a document that is pre-printed with my name on it, it's going to be spelled right. So again, do what you can to have a proposed order. That means a draft. It's not final. It's just something that you'd like the judge to sign off if you could. And it's got your names all spelled correctly. You would be surprised. So we go fast. Judges go fast, clerks go fast, and they might just be misspelled, and you don't want that. So do your best, bring it in there, especially if you all agree. If both sides agree to everything, get it all written up, typed up first. That self-help packet does have a proposed final decree in it. Okay. I already talked a little bit about mediation. I believe mediation works. If I hadn't seen it with my own eyes, I wouldn't be saying it. I also serve as a mediator in the community. And again, it's where a third party, a neutral, Switzerland, somebody who doesn't have a dog in the fight, tries to help you come to agreement on a case. Try to come to agreement in certain things, or whittle down the issues so you even have a partial agreement. Agreement's not required at mediation. You're not obligated to sign anything really except for some guidelines, but you are required to make a good faith effort to resolve issues. I will tell you this, good faith doesn't mean you show up and you sit there and you don't say a thing. It means you participate. I've had this before where somebody 5 minutes in, I hadn't even had a sip of coffee yet or anything like that, was ready to be throw in the towel and be done with it. And try, this is your opportunity. You also can come up with some creative solutions that work for you. A judge in a case might not be able to do some of the things you need to get your life where it needs to be. Got many of examples of that. I won't waste the time with them, but many creative things come out of mediation that works for you and the other side that a judge may never concede. They might do something that's that's legal and what the judge fits the situation and not be as customized to your issues. There's a fee waiver program with the ADR office, that's Megan Hill's office, and if you need to file for a fee waiver for mediation, you can contact her. You'll know when you get that mediation order that you'll have that number again too. Another thing that's important to know is that traditionally, if you don't receive a fee waiver, half of the mediator's fees are required to be paid by each side. So half and half equal whole. So each side pays for one half. That's the way mediation works pretty much throughout. There were 4 people on a case. We would do it by force. Most of the family law cases will involve 2 people, so we're cutting those in halfsies. Okay, now we're going to move into some family law basics here. And this is probably what most of you want to hear about anyways. Again, these are general terms that they're not going to be specific, and we're not going to be able to go into all the particularities of what you have going on. Divorce. There is no come together since 1985. Sorry, no common law. 1997 is when the law changed, so they don't recognize anybody who doesn't have a wedding certificate or isn't considered to be legally married. Some cultures, in some countries, I've seen things like you come from a war zone, you might not have that wedding certificate anymore, but you believe yourself to be married, and so you are married. A lot of people have had these situations happen in our community. We've seen a lot of stuff, house burnt down, fire. We don't have these documents anymore. But by far, we would say no common law. People know themselves to be married. Uncontested divorce. You and your spouse agree on all of the issues, and you file all the required documents at the beginning of the case. Everybody is in agreement from the get-go. The case gets filed. And if you have kids, that's your financial affidavit, your parenting plan, your child support worksheet, your settlement agreement, complaint for divorce, disclosure statement, filing statement, acknowledgement, and summons. Got a lot there. Contested divorce. You and your spouse do not agree on all the issues at the time of filing. And then later, you still have the opportunity to try to work on them and come to a settlement. Or the judge ultimately decides. Although jury trials are allowed in Georgia for family law, they're very rare, and they don't deal with child custody. So again, it would be the assets, the things that you own. So by far, most of the cases that you'll have here in the courtroom are dealing with the judge. A judge is deciding your family law matter. Georgia does have a no fault. We don't call it irreconcilable differences. We call it marriage is irretrievably broken with no hope of reconciliation.
She's going over everything dealing with family court. Y'all have to listen.
Exactly.
No fault.
Yeah, I'm gonna be able to
Just
ask questions at the end. You can ask anything
And the vast
about
majority,
my case.
that means most, if not Most of the divorces here in the county will be filed under that. Now, there are some fault reasons. Some of them include adultery, cruel treatment, abandonment, habitual drinking, and a bunch of other things. And they have to be proven to go forward. So again, if you have to prove the case, it sometimes becomes a little bit tricky to prove some of the things, but marriage is irretrievably broken with no hope of reconciliation. That is something that would be easy for both sides to be able to put together. So again, a lot of reasons why marriage is irretrievably broken, there's no hope of reconciliation, is our number one reason for divorce here in Cobb County. So again, some issues to be decided in divorce. I don't usually start with alimony, but it's on here. So number one, I call it P, so parenting plan, equity, a lot of other stuff, but I don't really call it at the top of my list. And that's because we have spouses. Spouses working. So alimony used to be a bigger deal in our parents' age, I would say many years ago, but it is still a big ticket item here for cases. I would have started probably with property division, debt division, and then gone to child custody, parenting time, restoration of a former name, and then alimony. And that's because alimony just sometimes doesn't apply to cases. However, it could be a big ticket item in your case. Restoration of former names. If you are married and you change your name pursuant to your marriage, you have the right to go back to your maiden name or change your name during the case. If you forget or don't include it, you would have to pay a whole nother filing fee. You would have to run through the newspaper. So again, as a cost saving and time saving for the court, you're able to do that all at once right now. So for example, Jane Doe was actually Jane Smith. She now wants to go back to Jane Smith. She would be able to do that through the divorce. And at the final hearing, a lot of times the judges will be asking, are you returning to your name? Or people are bringing that up. But wait, what do I do about name? I'm going to write it down. When you come to court with your pre-printed final decree, you can write in your name. There's a spot on there on the self-help packet that allows you to just write in the name that you want to go back to or to restore to. Okay, legitimation is about making sure your name, you have all the rights as a parent, as a father. In other states, they do this differently. In Georgia, even if your name is on a birth certificate, it doesn't mean you have any legal rights. Our state law says an unwed mother, mom who's never been married to the baby's father or the child's father, has sole legal and physical custody. Okay, so that's how this legitimation comes into place. There are many legitimation cases that come through our courthouse every day. Again, different states, different rules. Here in Georgia, unwed mom has sole custody until a judge has issued an order of legitimation. And again, name could be on the birth certificate, could be something different. You may be ordered to pay child support. Sometimes people go through child support services, but when they go to child support services, sometimes they don't get a child custody order. So again, after legitimation case, your end results will having legal rights to the child, decision-making, custody, parenting time, inheritance to and from the child, and child support issues will be resolved. So basically everything in the divorce except for division of assets or debt. A lot of times people say, well, would it be easy? It could be easy. Again, just like a divorce could be easy, so can legitimation. It depends how people get along and the dynamics and what you have involved with your case. It is important, though, to know that the rights of inheritance attach to the legitimation order. So there have been cases in Georgia where a child has died, and maybe there was a big settlement with a car accident case, and the other parent was not able to inherit. So it goes both ways. So inheritance rights attach. Okay. Move on from that. Custody and parenting time. Again, divorce or legitimation case, it can be modified. There's a prior order. If there's a prior order from another state, there's a lot of stuff that goes involved with it. So we'd advise you to consult with an attorney to ask about the particularities that are involved. The devil's in the detail, more or less. So there's lots of details that are involved, and it could all depend. By default, married parents, Married mom and dad have an equal right of custody unless a judge has ordered otherwise. So we start, as I said, at the middle, and then the deviations will come
This
in
is
between.
live, y'all. Send the
Situation.
bean, run us up.
Okay?
Thank you, y'all. Yes, give us gifts. We live.
Presumption. In Georgia, there is no presumption that one parent is better than the other when you step in the courtroom the first time. I'm not talking about bias, I'm talking about legal presumption. So our state law is such that both parents are on equal standing ground. Legal custody is the person who's going to make the decisions, or it could be joint. Very popular here in Cobb County, joint legal custody. And then we might have a primary physical custodian or a joint physical custodian. So physical is going to be the time spending with people. Again, move on here a little bit. The court has to adhere, has to follow. It is the law. Judge has to follow this. What is the best interest of the child? A Superior Court judge must determine what is the best interest of the child. So these cases with children do not go to a jury. They only go before a judge who, under the law, must decide what is in the best interest of the child. If the court makes a custody decision, they do so in deciding what is the best interest of the child. I keep on saying that because the judge decides it and must decide it. If they don't decide it, again, there may be some issues with the law. May come back up in your case. Some of the factors, and there's a very long list in our statute. That's our OCGA that I talked about earlier, our Code of Georgia. Some of the factors, and there are many factors, it's not just one thing, include child's emotional bonds, parents' involvement in the child's education and other activities, substance abuse, family violence, parents' ability and willingness to provide love, guidance, education, food, and medical care. So, again, I keep on saying there's many things involved. It's a very long list, and the factors are going to be particular. They're going to be to your situation. The factors in my family and your family are going to be very different. Again, the judge has to make that decision, what is the best interest of the child. If you and the other parent come to the decision together about what's in the best interest of the child, you have then resolved that issue. Again, the judge will have to look that over. Sometimes they see things. Oh, they decided there'd be no child support. Might not pass the judge because our state law requires both parents to provide support for the child. Again, if there's something that's in there that the judge just pass it by or sneak it in there, and they will look to see what's going on in what you filed with the court to make sure it's in the best interest of the child. Parenting plan. Every case must have a parenting plan. So this is our state law. Inside of our state law, our OCGA, right, there is a template, a suggested parenting plan. And so each parenting plan has to have the style of the case, who's involved, Jane Doe, John Doe, jurisdiction, Superior Court, venue, Cobb County, and a case number, as well as particular time and date. I keep on saying particular because it's very different. My version of a weekend, my weekend starts at 4 p.m. and it ends at Sunday at 6 p.m. Your weekend may start at 2 p.m. on Wednesday and go through Sunday at 1 p.m. Again, that's very detailed stuff that's going to go inside of these parenting plans. It's a backup plan. Some people are able to parent very well without them, and other people have to look at it every day and look like, okay, it says Tuesday at 1 p.m. Tuesday at 1 p.m. That is what it is. And that would be, if anyone deviates from that, they would be required to have a court order. Again, very detailed. If you can't come up with one on your own, or you and the other side can't come up with one, the court will take evidence, and you'll have a parenting plan that may or may not work. Some very interesting ones happen when the people work shifts, 12-hour shifts. Well, our schools don't run 12 hours, right? So if you're a doctor, a firefighter, work at the hospital, work at the airlines, work anywhere, truck driving, interesting stuff. Lawyers, too. We work long hours. So we need to come up with a plan that works for our family. I say this because these are issues that take a while to figure out what to do, and when we go to mediation, we try to come up with some of these ideas that are about your life. You may celebrate lunar holidays. We've just had like the Asian lunar holiday. very particular to somebody's situation. You may celebrate different types of holidays. Muslims celebrate Ramadan. Again, our parenting plans can be very descriptive about how you're going to celebrate those holidays, and also the school holidays. When I was a kid, we had Wednesday before Thanksgiving. Now the kids around here have the whole week off. What are we doing with that time? Some kids are this week off on a winter break. As a kid, I didn't have any winter break. That wasn't here. Again, you have to come up with these ideas about how you're going to handle those time periods off. Summer tends to be 8 to 9 weeks, a lot of time. What are you going to do that summer? What is the summer? How many days are in the summer? Can I say these things? Because when you look at the example that's in your self-help packet, the more detailed you are, the more it's going to fit your life. And if you have to have the court decide it, make sure that you bring up those special things that in your life that make your family and your situation different, so that you don't get something that just doesn't fit. Again, the 12 hours, lunar holidays might not fit. You are all individuals. Okay, nobody wants anything out of a can, especially because of family. Okay, enough on that and move forward. Modification of custody or parenting time. Sometimes it happens. You got to modify.
Are we lagging, y'all, or is it me?
Nah, that's her.
That relates to the
Oh,
child. Your
these
circumstance may be an adult
these
circumstance.
loser
Child,
you see
that's
these
I
related
don't
loser
to
mind the
lottery.
lotteries. They keep the room hot.
nexus
I would
or
rather you come up
Exactly,
in the
Royce.
box and express
what we're
your
talking about.
opinion. If you have an opinion, come up in the box. We're not
Another
going to
thing that
kick you
comes up
either.
fairly frequently
Next time,
is
just come up in the
Sister,
box,
one parent
okay?
moves out of
But
state.
we
thank
don't
you,
mind the lotteries.
sister.
Keep it coming. I will not
We
cut off
Idaho.
don't
my
Sometimes
lottery.
you get
care.
to Idaho for the
Right. They
mandatory
said I was
thing.
musty, girl. We
Cobb
don't
County,
care.
I would not cut
transport,
it off.
fly,
Keep them
in,
coming.
fly out. Very hard. How are we going to handle that situation? A parent has developed a drug or alcohol addiction.
I'll give a
Happens
damn.
too. Somebody's hospitalized for a long period of time. What are we going to do? Child is absent for school on a consistent basis. This happens a
Go
lot
fight
too.
in
Okay,
Discord
child's
about
not
it.
doing
Go
well
fight
in
in your
school.
Discord about it.
Again, the judge has to decide what is in the best interest of the child, and it
We
might
don't
be fewer
care. We
parents are able to come
obsessed
up
and
with a
paid.
resolution.
And paid.
Or you're not. These cases come before the court, and the court will do their best to, again, come up with a situation that will best help. The parenting plan might not look the
Keep
same
the
as it
room
was
hot.
when you initially did one. Be something totally different that fits the situation and helps your child or children. Okay, we do have a co-parenting seminar. This co-parenting seminar is run through
They man PolyGod waking it up. Wake it up, PolyGod. Wake it up.
I think most people that go to it, they get some what I call golden nuggets.
That's
really
Leah making them
something out of it.
lotteries. Deadbeat ass mammy.
Myself.
Too much time on her hands. That's Leah making them
Did it
lotteries.
as a litigant like you guys. I've done this class. I always get something new out of it. Gives you skills, gives you resources, where to go, how to help, how to talk to your kids about what's going on in your family.
Y'all play the lottery. Play the lottery.
Not easy to do these things. Getting some help with doing that. Attendance is required. You're not required to go at the same time as the other person, so you can attend a different one. It does cost money. The people who teach the class are counselors in the community, and they usually have many years of experience. I also walked away with, I think every time I've walked away with resources I didn't even know that were available in Cobb County. And over the years, I've been able to pass on those resources to other people. Through an example, this is a class for divorcing kids, for kids whose parents took the class, and it's as I said, and it's got times that are available on the evenings and weekends, which is even better for working parents. And lots of stuff involved here. You're going to be required to take this class if you have kids.
This live is about PolyGod.
If you're going through a legitimation,
his rights to his
you go back to this class too.
This live is about PolyGod.
Not they mad, Royce,
You
that
get
he
to your
doing the
final
first day.
hearing. The judge is going to
They
ask,
mad because PolyGod doing the live. This live is about PolyGod.
If you don't have that certificate filed with the court, and Megan will oftentimes file it for you if you've done it in Cobb County, that may cause a problem, and you won't be able to get divorced that same day. What if the other person doesn't want to take it? This sometimes happens.
Oh.
Well, if the other person doesn't want to take the class,
Oh, that's a class. Okay.
they can hold the other person in contempt of court. This is part of our standing rules or rules of court. So the way this comes back up is the other person files for, let's see, a change of custody or files for a change in child support, a modification of child support, court co-parenting seminar. You know, don't be that parent. It's very good. Some judges will not sign off on a divorce at all unless both of the parents have done it. So if you filed if the other person's living in the county and they just decide that they won't take the class at all, they may come into some big problems. You may have to pursue that contempt while you're inside of a case already. I'm trying to pump this class up the best I can to tell you, just so you don't get to the final hearing and you don't have the certificate and you can't get divorced, especially if you're going in person and you've now lost either the whole morning or the whole day of work. Okay, so pay attention to this. Again, very important. Child support. Child support is an obligation of both parents, so we have moral and legal obligation. It's a legal obligation in the state of Georgia for both parents to support their child. It's about money, food, clothing, shelter, what the child needs, child rearing costs. If you are ordered to pay child support, you're not going to get an accounting every month about every pencil that the child has used, how many diapers, how many whatever. You're going to be paying an amount, and that's going to go for general stuff: food, clothing, shelter, child rearing expenses. It's based on gross income, so that's pre-tax money, and it doesn't include your debt. Okay, so if you've got credit card debt up to the sky, it's not going to include it. It's only based on gross income. So if you've got a truck, a car, a big credit card debt, those are not calculated in there. This is about how much you owe based on your gross income. Okay. And it will be calculated for both. So you have both sides of it.
Angels, can y'all give me the 3K?
A family is 100%, so mom, dad equals 100%. And then it's going to be based on that amount for both. There are some. I see your hand. I'm actually going to go and answer questions at the end.
Okay, about time.
So I'll keep on rolling here.
Right, put your hand up. Put your hand up.
And I'm just going to keep on rolling through this. Okay. Child support is based on a chart. It does get updated every couple of years, so it has the most accurate information that's available for the time. Now, it wasn't changed between 21 and 2023, but it does. I think it was changed in 2020 thereabouts. So it does have fairly accurate information. What you're going to input into that are your gross income, work-related child care expenses, health insurance premiums, uninsured health care premiums. For example, you have a child that is diabetic, and you have a lot of uncovered things, or you have a child that
His
has
line died. He said he's coming back.
Those co-pays. That might be something that's uninsured child health care expense. You'll calculate those in. There's a spot for it. You fill in the blanks. It's a chart that is based on Excel worksheet type of thing. It's all online. You can calculate it. It's kind of hard from your phone, but if you have a tablet, you could definitely see it. I say it from the phone, it gets a little small, but you can add all these child rearing expenses, educational expense. Child is in daycare full time. I'm going to calculate how much that costs the full year. Extracurricular activities. Lots of stuff goes into the calculation of child support. And that, I want to show you where that's at in just a minute. A parent can't waive it. So even if you say, I don't care if he or she never pays, the court is not going to be able to waive it because it's a state law that both sides, both mom and dad, support their child until they're 18. That's in the state of Georgia, 18 unless they're a special needs child, and then it could go up longer to 21. And then still in high school. If your child graduated high school at age 20 or age 19, your child support will continue until then. And you can't waive it. There's always lots of questions of child support. I'm going to handle those at the end of the seminar. We've just reached 6:35, so the class would be ending, but I still have a few more slides to roll through. Original petition for child support. If you're filing for a contempt case, you make sure you have to have that original petition for child support when you file it in. Some people have a child enforcement case, and then that child enforcement case would be coming along through the Georgia Child Support Enforcement Office. Our local one is at 590 Commerce Park Drive in Marietta. If there's another parent that's living outside of Georgia, our district attorney's office handles them, and that's right on the Marietta Square, the 10 East Park Square, Suite 402. Down here, only a judge can change the amount of child support. This comes up fairly frequently. Even if the parties agree on the changes, a modification case must be filed. So you can't just decide on your own. That's what it is if somebody goes behind or things change in your life based on income, financial status, needs of the child. Modification does not go backwards. You can't modify past due. That's where that contempt of court case would come in. And you need to file a contempt to say that they didn't pay. Modification is forward thinking. We needed to change. Contempt didn't pay. Modification needed to change. Okay, let's move forward. Okay, the calculation, child support calculator is available online. The Georgia Council of Administrative Office of the Courts does it. It's the Georgia Child Support Commission. If you Google it, you'll be able to find it. It looks like this. Georgia Online Child Support Calculator. You'll make yourself an account. There's a sign up in the right-hand corner. It's free to sign up. You don't need to be paid for this. And then it has all these blanks you're going to fill out to be able to go through there. Contempt, that's what the person violated the court order, whatever the court order is. They refuse to follow it. They don't do it. You file in the court where they first handled the case. So got divorced in Cobb County, I would file the contempt of court in Cobb County. The court can put somebody in jail, order repayment, attorney's fees, anything else that fix the issue. And pretty much every month we have people who go to jail for failure to pay child support. So, and that's willful contempt. They decide that they don't want to pay, but they probably could have paid, but they'd rather not do it. A lot of issues there with contempt. It gets real challenging real fast. Those are the type of things you might want to reach out to one of our local lawyers for. There are a lot of family law forms that are available. Your legal issue may not be covered by this. We've gone through a lot of generalities today. There are forms available. You can purchase them. Looks like they're $15. I think that very reasonable based on what you get out of it. It's a huge packet. They also have some forms available on the Cobb County
And Polly, make sure you ask questions about
website. You can go in there
the DNA
and
test.
search for self-help. It's actually in the same location
You
you
said
probably
make
sign up
sure
for this
what?
class
My
on.
bad.
It's very close to
Did
those
you ask
lines.
any questions about the DNA when I left or no?
Read it,
Nah.
follow the
She
directions,
said she about
complete the
to
entire
be
thing.
finished.
There are places for you to sign before a notary public. We've talked about that before. When you sign something before the notary, you're saying that it's true and correct, not false. It's true. You're telling the truth and nothing but the truth, right, in that paper form. Attorneys in Cobb County, there are many attorneys. We have a great bar association. That's our local attorneys association. The Cobb County Bar Referral Service is open Monday through Friday, 770-424-7149. For $35, you get a 30-minute consultation with a local attorney that has their name on the list. And, so that's pretty reasonable. Some private attorneys around town will do limited scope representation. Some of them will help you fill out the self-help packet. There's a lot of different stuff out there. Lawyers, like other professionals out there, they charge their own fees. So if you can get something for $35 for 30 minutes, pretty good. Cobb Legal Aid is for low income. It's run through a Georgia legal aid program, and I can see if you qualify. Again, there's financial obligations that you would have to show on that, your household size, things like that. They have some forms, and they do speak Spanish, so you can talk to them in Spanish as well. The questions, I'm just a volunteer trying to help you out. This class also helps give some really useful information that people could apply to other areas in their life.
Callers get in the queue. PolyGod about to ask questions, so y'all can ask questions as well. Y'all get in the queue.
And to ask about specific questions about your situation with one of the lawyers that are in town or somewhere in the community. Okay. I'm going to answer some questions that are general. I don't represent any of you, so I'm going to pop out of my screen right now, and I'm going to stop my screen share. Okay, and just a reminder why she does that. Again, general questions, not specific questions. And please keep in mind there's people waiting, so don't ask like 3 or 4 questions because there's people waiting. We want to get to everybody. If you don't have any questions for Carrie, thank you very much. You can log off. I sent a message to everybody, but if you didn't see it, you can log off. Reminder, get your certificate. You have to fill out that class evaluation. The class evaluation was attached to the Zoom email. Send that to me, and I will send you a copy of the certificate. And if it's filed in Cobb County Superior Court, I will also file it with the clerk's office as well. Carrie, did you want me to call people, or how did you want to do it?
Yeah, they're popping up all over the place. So I feel like I'm playing the whack-a-mole here. I might just start. I'll start, and I'll do my best to get to you. We will roll off at 7 o'clock. So I'm sorry if I can't to get to everybody. I'm going to do my best.
We go as far as long as you can go.
I think my first one to the right here is I have a Kelly. Yeah, okay. Well, you're probably hungry too. So make sure you got it. I have I think it's Shaniqua Kelly up here at my right-hand side, might be your left or on the bottom. Do you want to go ahead and unmute and ask your question?
Yes, it's just one question. It's about same-sex divorce when it comes to children prior to the relationship. Like, will they still be included in the divorce proceedings?
Yeah, you can. Whatever you can do, you can put all that. It doesn't matter. The court, Judge Schuster was the first judge here in our county, was very proud. He's now retired, but he was very proud. He waited. When the law changed, he waited at the entry of the courthouse to be able to do the first same-sex marriage. Same-sex marriage also means same-sex divorce, so.
Yeah, but I'm asking if the child has to be included in the divorce.
Yeah, if you have a child together, your child has to be included in the divorce.
I'm saying it's prior to our relationship.
Prior to your relationship? Then no. The other person isn't the parent of the child? Then no. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
if it's a child, like, for example, I'm Jane Doe and John Doe isn't the father. I actually married Jim Smith before. Well, Jim Smith and I have a child together, but John isn't the dad. So that wouldn't be included. However, child support calculations, there is a section that may be relevant if you're calculating for another child. So maybe it's his, hers, and ours child. You may have some child support that you might want to get credit that you're already paying for. Nobody wants a double whammy, so sometimes the children are included just for child support calculations.
That was all.
Okay, good luck. Let's see who else I have down here. I think I have Jarvis Lewis Javarius. Sorry if I pronounced that wrong. Javarius?
No, it's okay. Yeah, thank you. It's Javaris.
Okay, thank you. What's your question?
First of all, appreciate your time. You guys taking out on President's Day to help us out. My question is towards modification of child support. So I've already submitted some of the paperwork on Peach Court. And my question is, do I need a financial affidavit as well as post-final order if I'm motioning for termination of child support due to the child being 19?
You look like Stone.
It depends if you owe.
No shame.
It all depends. I would say every filing with the court requires a financial affidavit at all stages of the game. And that's, again, they're verifying what you say is true. So go ahead and file it. That document does not become public. It gets filed. It's in the court's file, but other people can't see that, and they don't know how much money you've made.
Okay, good. And last question, would the co-parenting seminar be required as well?
The co-parenting seminar is for divorcing parents. So if you're divorcing, then you'll be required to do the co-parenting seminar, or the families in transition. It's called that in different counties.
Yeah, if it's a divorce, modification, legitimation, custody, anything like that, co-parenting seminar is required.
All right. Thank you for your time.
And it's very useful. I still say it. In fact, I've done seniors who are getting divorced. I mean, senior citizens. I sometimes wish they go to the co-parenting class too, even for their adult kids. Very useful.
All right.
Class.
Thank you.
Okay, let's see who I have down here. I have Erilyn, sorry if I mispronounced your name. Erilyn Watson.
PolyGod, raise your hand.
Yes.
Sorry about
My
that.
question.
Blurred out.
That's okay.
Hand is raised.
I have a question about property.
Oh, I lost you.
Next time, unmute yourself.
I froze. You might have to say that again. You froze on me. Sorry.
I can hear you. Can you hear me? Are you able to hear me?
Could you say that again? I'm having some trouble. Okay.
My question is about property.
Try it again. Thank you. Something happened. It froze up.
What?
Okay, go ahead.
After the paperwork is filed, after the divorce is filed, are you able to change or modify an agreement on property, such as the home, if someone has changed their mind?
Okay, you've already gotten divorced, and now you want to change your mind about the property? Is that it? I'm sorry.
No, the paperwork was filed, but we have not had the court date yet.
Oh, it's frozen again. Oh.
Can you hear me, Carrie? Because I'll repeat her question.
I heard her.
Now Carrie's frozen. Gotta love technology, y'all.
So my question was, the paperwork has already been filed. We have not had the court date yet, but...
Yeah, I'm not sure what's happened there. I did not hear what the question was at all. Okay. Something about property and...
Yeah, she knows that the paperwork's been filed, Carrie.
Okay.
And they had, I guess they had an agreement about the home, that they would have changed their mind, but they don't, it hasn't been, finalized or anything like that.
Okay. Then it would be time to file a motion with the court. If it hasn't been filed by that, you need the court's permission to do anything. Again, when you file with the court, you're asking permission to do things with that. So you would need to file a motion to set aside the settlement agreement, motion to for property, for ruling on property. But you would have to let the court know. Again, one of the standing orders, so when you file your case, a document that will come to me is called a standing order. It's the same for every single domestic case. It basically says a couple things. You can't buy or sell property without the court's permission. You can't do, list your house. You can't move all the assets. You can't do anything that's out of the normal daily running of a household. So you can't liquidate the accounts. You can't suddenly send all your money to a Swiss bank account. You can't do that without the court's permission. And so sometimes we have people who sell their house before their divorce is finalized, and you know what? Now suddenly they owe a ton of money, and they're in bad standing with the court. They violated a court order that said they weren't supposed to do that. Especially in high-end circumstances, we have people who move assets around, including sailboats, cars, whatever, and they may end up having to come up with the money afterwards. So an economy like right now, you sell the house before it was, somebody takes off with the money and runs, the other person doesn't get paid. I would say that bad things will happen, but basically that's not what you're supposed to do. You need the court's permission to be able to do things. When you have that settlement agreement, what you're saying is, this is what we decided, and then you're waiting for the judge to issue the final order that says that becomes a part of the order of the court. Okay? So I don't want to stress that enough. I will say it again. When you file the parenting plan, the settlement agreement, whatever you want the court to incorporate that into a final decree of divorce. And so you're asking permission to do what you want to do. If you have kids, they're going to see what's in the best interest of the child. If they're looking at assets, they might look at your financial affidavit and try to see if there's anything that would be out of range. So, for example,
you may have to
football, basketball player, professional sports player, and suddenly
Right,
the
no
other
shade.
person
She
is left with
talks
nothing,
so
they may question those things. Again, things have to be, have to be good policy. They have to be good decisions for
He can unmute
both.
himself.
So,
You just got to figure it out.
a property might not pass muster or might not smell good
it
to the
is
court.
rude,
Okay?
but
You need to file a motion to have that paperwork changed.
Yeah, you file a motion to set aside. You signed a settlement agreement, now you need to file a motion to set it aside, or you filed something else. I don't know what all the particulars are on it, and that's where you would want to go with a lawyer who could really dive deep into what your situation is. Okay, again, I'm telling this for everybody as a generality. You're not divorced until the final decree. Until you get a final order in your legitimation case, your kid is not legitimized. So you get a final order on your name change, final order on child support. It's not done until the judge signs off on it in that final hearing. Okay, now let me move along here. Let's see here. I have a Courtney Mullins. It looks like your hand's up.
You hear me?
Yes, I can. I'm sorry, I had some issues earlier. Things freezing up.
Okay. Mine's real quick. So my ex already signed over full custody. It's been notarized, filed, and everything. We're with Does he still have to take the parenting class and the law class?
I would imagine yes. Yes. Okay, because you can't really sign over. Your case is not finished yet, so you would have to take that class. I'm not really sure what you mean by signing over all that kind of stuff, because really you're
signed over all of his rights. I filed for sole custody and he signed it.
Okay. He still needs to take the class. His parental rights would not be terminated yet. There's a special proceeding called the termination of parental rights. So
Uncover your mic.
Do I still have to show up to court with a parenting plan?
you have to have a parenting plan. You have to have all these things, or you're going to be explaining things in the courtroom. Again, that's a very particular situation you have, but I really want to stress that you have not terminated parental rights that way. There's a special court proceeding called the termination of parental rights. It has very specific rules involved with it, and the law solely because it does not mean termination of parental rights. So, that's, again, very specific situation. Let me switch
Angels,
over here.
give me the 4K.
Left hand, I have looks like Willie Picardo.
Oh, that's me.
Pichardo. I'm sorry if I mispronounced that.
That's me. Yes, can you hear me?
Do you want to open up yours?
Oh, let me see. I'm gonna open up my mic. Hold on.
I don't hear.
You're muted. Unmute yourself. There you go.
All right, I unmuted myself. You can hear me?
Yeah. Okay.
All right. There's a girl in Cobb County that I slept with and don't want to give me a DNA test, and she's playing games. So I want to know which form do I file, how I file, and I live in New York.
You would file legitimation. So those are legitimation petitions here in Georgia. You would want to legitimate the child. And legitimation, we didn't really talk about it, but those are the cases that the DNA testing comes up. DNA testing has gotten super good, and you can tell a lot from it. So our courts use that quite frequently when paternity comes into an issue. So that's a petition of legitimation.
So is a petition just one form?
There's a packet for it.
The whole.
Oh no, nothing is just one form. It's several pages. Again, you file the whole thing. You file your complaint, your petition. You file your verification to the petition that's swearing under oath that everything's true and correct. You file your disclosure form. You file your case opening form, or tell you who's who on the case. You file your summons. And the clerk of court, again, if you mail that all in, that's part of the self-help packet, you mail it in, make sure you have 3 copies. The original, copy for you, and
It's muffled.
Take your hand off the speaker.
Hand off of the Bigo phone.
We have a Peach Court system. We have an e-file system. The e-file system, and again, you can file through e-file. Make yourself an account on there. You pay the fees through all there. What it doesn't do is that it doesn't file and have them served. And serving it means that you're going to have them. The sheriff is going to be sent out, or you're going to send a private process server or some other way. But you can do it on Peach Court, sitting in your living room or at the kitchen table or at your office. And in fact, most of the courts in Georgia have gone to e-filing for attorneys. The only exception is when people are unrepresented, they're allowed to file with paper.
All right. How much is it going to cost for me to get this DNA test? Because she's not being cooperative.
Yeah, well, can't tell you how about that, because again, you both ordered. They usually have mom and baby show up on a different date, dad show up on a different date, and they swab them. It goes very quickly, but that is something you'll have to do in person.
All right. How long is it going to take for her to come to court?
I don't remember the top of my head. I know Peach Court is about 2 minutes.
How long is it going to take?
These are lots of questions.
Wait, one last question. That's it. How long is it going to take?
To come to court?
After I file until she come to court for the DNA test.
They have 30 days to respond. 30 days to respond, and our calendar clerk can help schedule a case after those 30 days. Or some of the judges, and again, we have several Superior Court judges. Some of them handle their own cases and their own scheduling. So the calendar clerk will let you know, and they will try to get you on a calendar. I can't tell you exactly. They have 30 days to respond. So your time in court might be 60 days. Other judges, they might have you in at 45 days or 31, in the afternoon. Again, I can just give you generalities and say that after that 30-day runs, they haven't answered, or if they have answered, you would get to court at some point. And again, a lot of that can change. Went through a pandemic, a lot of things changed.
All right, I got my family on the phone that is also on the call, and they next, because I got my brother, which might be related to the child, and my sister that might be related to the child.
I'm going to go ahead and mute him. Carrie, somebody else.
Yeah, I would recommend, if you have a situation and you're out of state, that you contact a local attorney.
But they had questions
around, and contact them with your situation. I'm gonna try to handle a couple more, and then we're probably gonna wrap up. I'm getting hungry too.
Dang.
Okay, I have a Tamika Womack that's up. She's coming up left in the same spot, so I just keep on rolling people.
No,
so Tamika.
You're muted.
Tamika.
Go ahead and exit or turn it down,
How do you fire your attorney?
Well, you fire them in writing.
All right, Royce, you can ask somebody up. Turn it down, Polly. All the way down.
Charlie, when I tell you I'm weak.
She was being rude. I'm done.
It was so rude. All right, y'all, come up in the queue. The queue is full, but I want y'all to come up here and get all y'all questions off. No shade. Charlie need 900 diamonds, y'all. I need a good 500 diamonds. No tea, no shade. We should be over 5K. Okay, let's get it in. Let's go. Thank you, Angels. Thank you, Royce Gang. All the associates supporting us and everything. Thank y'all so much. It is a mess. You hear me? A mess. I'm weak. All right, let's put the callers up in the queue.
And nothing, man. He getting advice. Like, why y'all mad? He getting advice. Like, y'all.
Okay, no shade. I don't even get trolls to throw no troll lotteries in my life. Let me just be clear, okay? So clearly that was that press ass, mad ass, black neck motherfucking pilgrim, okay? That was that wrinkle lip ass bitch, okay? No tea, no shade. I don't even get trolls like that. No tea, no shade. That hoe is hungry and she mad over there, looking like a motherfucking hippo, sitting up in that motherfucking room, stuffed in motherfucking plug with spoiled ass, sour ass
sister,
milk.
Royce,
okay.
be
I'm sorry.
fair.
I forgot where I was.
I forgot. Sister. But hold on, be fair. She's sitting in a room with I'm a dig deep with the baby sounding like a transmission.
That's crazy.
Because I don't even get trolled like that, okay? I just know it. So it's that motherfucking whore. And thank y'all for throwing that next lottery to let the girls know that we have these hoes mad, okay? All right, now, it's given very much. This is about Polly. Not about that homeless ass bitch, okay? This is about Polly. And so with that being said, when y'all come up in the queue, have y'all questions, comments, and or concerns ready. And if y'all don't mind running me and my partner up to 5K, we would really appreciate it, okay? Let's get in. Let's get in. Oh, girl, the first troll. Oh, Lord. Oh, my God, the first one. Welcome
and
to the
that's
Royce
not
Review.
a read, y'all. The baby do breathe like that. It's not a read. No,
hello. Welcome to the Royce Review. How may we help you?
For witness.
Oh, shit.
Hey, yo, I just want to know one goddamn thing. Why the fuck we waste all this goddamn time at a goddamn seminar? I don't want to know none of that shit. We was at a goddamn seminar, like all 4,000 of us was wanting to know all this goddamn information. I didn't want to know that shit. I thought your kids are grown.
That lady was long-winded.
My kids are goddamn grown. What the fuck I need to know all that bullshit for? Goddamn it, I'm gonna tell you something. Goddamn it, PolyGod, you fucking bullshit. We want to know if you the goddamn daddy. That's all we want to know. We don't want to know, goddamn it, if your brother or sister on the goddamn line. We don't give a fuck, nigga. Goddamn it, are you the?
Yo,
He is a mess. Okay, next caller. Right,
Next
there ain't gonna be
caller.
some that's gonna be mad. It's gonna be some that's not. It's gonna be some that's for you and against you. Honey, we here the rest of you co-starring the Angels. No, Tino Shay, let's get into it. How may we help you? Oh, girl, stop playing with me, girl. Before we kick you out the live. I try to respect everybody, but girl, please. I have a very large queue to get to. And I'm starting from the girls that were sitting in the live longest. Okay, let's get into it.
Most hated says send down Royce. She trying to drop on you, baby.
Oh. Okay, let me have it. Whatever you got. Period. Okay. Let me get a little 1, 2. You got 5, no, little 3, 5, 3 or something. I'll take it. Yes.
Y'all,
Oh,
I'm almost at 5K, y'all. Let's season the purse. Season the purse.
yes, Jay. Thank you, big. That's my big sister, y'all. Thank you, Rich Girls Live. Ooh.
I'm gonna come
Okay,
back up.
let's get her out the queue. Not you. You shall ask and you shall receive. Let's get her out the queue. Thank you.
Yes. She ate that honey cashy.
8.
Is that the
That.
sister? Yo, that's the sister I've been trying to lock in. I like her. She got good energy. Ain't she from Philly or
She
something?
real street. She real straightforward.
Yeah, but she
And
about her bag. I like a hood
she
bitch that's about
about
her
her
bag.
business. She about her
I like a
bag.
bitch that made it out the hood but still got her hood ways. Like ain't nothing wrong with that. I love it. She a boss though. She be about her
No.
bag.
Okay, hold
Girl,
on.
I
Let me let the
told you
girls
I be
up.
in your live sometimes, sister.
No, he's switching. He's switching pages. Okay. All right. There we go. All right. It's giving very much. Next caller to the Royce Reviews, co-starring the Angels. How may we help you? Baby. I gotta be fast with it. Next. It's too many, y'all. Next.
Royce, we know that she said one question only, honey, but his scary ass was scared to ask the questions, honey. She rushed him
Oh,
all off the phone. We did not live for that, Royce, at all.
wasn't she real rude
Well, he
and
did
real
ask like
nasty?
5 questions though. To be
She
fair,
was
I thought he.
so rude and so nasty. She was so rude and so nasty. All right, let's get it in. Let's go. I want the T questions. I want the girls that's gonna dig deep. Whether you reading, whether you into the mess, to the drama. I need the girls who get into the mother loving ones and twos. I'm trying to keep it cute up here. Let's get it in. Let's go.
Ooh,
hmm Yeah, the way them glasses was looking, it was giving That was
Y'all
tilted,
need
baby. You
five
in the
more
bed
treasures.
laying down. It was giving baby. It was giving Okay.
5 more
Girl,
treasures, y'all.
her ponytail rolled up. It was giving Lay down, baby. Just go ahead and lay down.
I'm done.
Ooh, Hermit, you was on the ones and twos. I mean, we help you.
Hey
Oh
sis.
wow. I think that hey y'all, hi Charlie,
Hey,
hi
baby.
Royce. I
Hey,
think that
Hermit.
this was very, very helpful actually, especially for the ones that's a lot of baby mamas and baby daddies in here. I don't know why y'all trying to act like y'all
Yes.
didn't get nothing from this. And Polly did ask the question that was needed to ask because now he's able to know where to go, what to file, even though I don't support you, Polly. But I understand the reason why you would need to know whether that is your baby or not. And good job, guys. This was cute.
This was cute. No shade. It was cute. We need a little more tea on the docket, so we will be in the next TPO case and everything like that. This is just the starter, y'all. This is just the beginning. We ain't even
Yeah,
done
this
yet.
is
We got so
definitely
much
the
more coming
starter.
up for y'all. Y'all don't even know. This is just the
I
beginning.
don't think they understand, Royce. They don't understand. Then they don't know they about to be gagged soon. But yeah.
They about to be gassed. We got tea. We got tea. We just
Definitely.
baby stepping y'all in, okay?
Yes.
Carla,
Yes.
come up to the rest review. Co-star in the Angels. How may we help you?
Hey Charlie, hey Royce, what's up, Polly? I just want to tell PolyGod, a lot of that information was helpful because everything happens in different states. Things are different, something I found out in Atlanta that the mother has custody of a child, without any type of paternity or
Yep.
anything. In Cleveland, it's totally different. So that was very educational to know. Polly, in New York, contact your legal aid division and see how they can help you and guide you into what you have to do. Okay. So I sent you a link in your inbox. Contact legal aid. Nay, eat my ass, you stupid bitch.
Oh,
Now,
I
at the
love
end of the
you,
day, if
Bill.
you
Oh
got
my
something to
I
god.
say to
love.
me, Nay, come up here, cam up, and say what the fuck you got to say to me. But eat my ass, bitch.
Well, hold on, y'all. Unmute Nay. Now you want to come up here and get your ones and twos off, cause
Yeah,
you can get up
because
in the
this bitch
queue.
always got something to say and nobody even know who the fuck she is. She worried about
Oh,
the
okay.
wrong.
It's just a troll.
Yeah, whatever. So,
Cause now if
anyways,
you
like
hit the
I said,
queue,
contact legal aid. I sent you the link in your inbox. I also sent it to you, Charlie, on your Instagram as
Oh,
well.
that was you. That was you
Yeah.
that DM me. Okay, I
Yeah,
got you.
so
I
that
know
you can
exactly who you are.
you
Okay.
guys can definitely guide him into what to do. And they give
mm-hmm.
you that information for free at free
Thank
cost
you,
with legal
Queen.
aid. Okay? That's all
Period.
I
I
wanted to
Period.
say.
appreciate you.
Thank you guys for this information. And if
Yes,
you
Thank
guys
it's
you. Thank
no,
you.
we're bringing
you
awareness to deadbeat moms that play around with their kids and exploit their kids for content and use their kids to their advantage and everything like that. Hopefully, we're bringing awareness. It
Yes.
shouldn't even be this far, this much, but it is what it is. Thank you, S Love, love you
And
down.
and to reiterate real quick, Georgia is a mother state. So if y'all didn't know that, y'all heard it, basically. So
It is.
there
It
for the
favors the
mothers.
mothers always. So let's get into
Definitely.
it.
Yep.
Thank you, Boss Hall. Thank y'all.
Yo,
Let's see.
what's up?
Hey, baby,
Hey,
you got
tell
something to
Shorty I'm in
say?
Cleveland right now. What's up? Yeah, hey,
He
tell
must
Shorty
be
I'm in
trying to
Cleveland
holler.
right now.
Boy, this ain't a
I'm
love
down here on
match.
Carnegie right now.
Bye, boy. We not
Girl,
matching.
he over here trying to get his pee-pee wet.
My
No,
sis
sir.
don't want you, baby. You gotta be about your coin.
No tea. Lil Baby, you was on the ones and twos. You're on the airways with Royce and Charlie. How may we help you?
It was a mistake. Hang me up.
Oh Lord, no, no. What was the mistake was that whole got. All right, let me get down. let me get. let me. Oh, that what a mistake was. Okay. All right, let's get it in. All right, who's calling to the Rush Review? Co-starring the Angels. How may we help you? Hello, you're on the airways.
Girl,
All right, y'all up here,
pack
but
her
y'all
up.
ain't ready. Y'all up here, but y'all ain't ready. I'm gonna need y'all to get ready. Miss Parker, you're next. Chocolate Teas, you're next. Y'all got to get in the queue and let it be known. You
If
know what?
you
Let
in
me
the
bring my
queue
baby
and
up
you
that I
ready,
know.
just put some ones in the comments for Royce. If you in the queue
Yeah,
and you
no
ready,
shade. Let me bring my baby
next
up that I
song, just
know
do it
gonna
like
give us
that.
a good
Oh
one too.
no, not
Oh,
me.
girl, you is in the queue. Y'all check and see if y'all in the queue first. Check.
Okay, you see, they put some ones. Demon says she ready. Okay, there we go.
Ready, I'm ready. Is this going on? Am I on?
Yes.
Yeah, how may we help
I'm
you?
not on?
You
Am
on,
I
boo?
on?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Where
You
am I?
on, sir.
I don't see myself.
Just talk. We hear you. Come on.
Hello?
Yeah,
Boy,
don't
you
worry about
see
it.
yourself. Come on, bro.
Right. You want to be dumb. You need to see how your hairline receding in that haircut.
I was just finna
Okay,
say that.
now,
Look.
yeah, he can see that. Okay. I know he see how far his hairline is. All right.
Oh,
Now, it's giving
Oh, that's
him and
it.
Leah know each other. Okay.
The meeting just ended and mad people had questions. That bitch, that remember that white mean bitch? She just balked just now, said something crazy, and then she ended the meeting. That's fucked up. It was
Now she
hundreds of people in
no.
there.
That is so rude. You went to the wrong court case
well,
or
she's a
class or whatever.
Karen. What do y'all
We need to
expect?
give you another one. Okay, everybody that's in the goddamn queue, show you back in the queue. These must be these people that just want to come up.
Is that Trina B? Oh my God, look, just like
But look, she laughing. They just want to be seen, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna bring all y'all bald headed asses up. They just want to be seen because they just laughing to get down. Okay, I bring all y'all
right.
up. They just so petty. They
Let me
ain't even
see
got no
that.
question for PolyGod or us. Girl, they so petty. When I tell you petty, but it's a key. I love it. This the only one who got a question.
Hey,
Look.
question. I got a question for PolyGod. I got a motherfucking question for PolyGod. When you was nutting in Leah, did you think about the other nigga she fuck with?
It's okay.
Did you think about the other nigga she fucked with when you nutted up? When you nutted in her, goddamn it! All of a sudden,
Ooh.
after you nutted in her,
Be
she all sorts
fair.
of hoes.
Which one? Which nigga? Because she don't fuck with so many.
Ooh.
Which one?
Hey, look.
Now that's the T. Ooh.
Hey,
Go
look.
ahead.
All of a sudden, she all sorts of hoes and shit, but you nutted in her, nigga.
Ooh.
Ooh. He ain't know at the time.
Ooh.
Mind you, the one before him was 6 days prior. So how could he know in time? He ain't know 6 days ahead of his nut. It was another nut just sitting there brewing. He ain't know. No tea, no shade. So we gonna
He
okay.
did know. He did know. He did
Polly, you
know.
knew?
Because when he stuck it in, they started punching on the dick. Started punching him on the dick.
Oh, ew. That's worse than 21 tampons sitting up for 2 weeks. Oh, that's
Okay.
worse.
Can I say something real quick once you done, Royce? Let me
Go
say
ahead,
something real
baby.
quick. So, Sir Crown, I see you in the comments. This is all topic, which I know I'm a Gemini. Keep my name out your mouth. I don't like you. You used to like my op, and now you want to cloud chase off of me. I've been ignoring you. Leave me alone. I don't like you. You're weird. You're corny. I don't want you. Okay, so stop putting names in the lot and your titles. Stop going around on this press tour. I don't like you. You used to try to talk to my ops. You're weird. You go around cloud chasing. Stop. Thank you. Okay. Now let's move.
And that
Let's
was
get back to
nice.
the topic. But if you
And
want
you
to come
said
up here
that
and address it,
respectfully.
we can definitely.
Okay, you heard that crime. If you want to come up here and get your little ones and twos off, now is the time. Y'all don't be fake and phony in the streets. And I can't stand a fake ass, mad ass bitch. Y'all go on everybody else's boxes have so much to say. Well, we go live every single day. No tea, no shade. If you got an issue, bring it to the forefront. Bring it to the runway. Let's talk about it. Oh, okay.
You know what I'm
Angels up
saying? Oh,
next.
okay. We good.
Hi, everybody. PolyGod, I got a question for you.
Foo page.
No, this is me.
No, not you, Morgan. Go ahead, baby.
Oh, okay. PolyGod,
Yes, speak.
feel you? Hey, so if it turns out that that is your baby, are you going to try to fight for shared custody and last name change? Are you going to legitimize the baby?
That's the
Good question.
because I gotta file. I gotta
Hmm.
file the packet anyway.
Right. So, I mean, when I say about shared custody, are you gonna like try to move to Georgia, not to take the baby out of the element, or are you gonna try to have the baby come to New York or whatever state you're in?
Yeah, I'm trying to have the baby come to me. I don't live in Georgia.
Oh, okay. That's all I want to know.
Yep, visitation rights. Period, Morgan. The angels in the building. Y'all, let's get it in. Let's go. Y'all don't see them representing. Let's talk about it.
Okay, hang
Any
up the
more
call.
questions, comments, and or concerns?
Thank you, sis. Thank you, Mark.
Smart women. All right, y'all, come up here to the Royce Review, co-starring the Angels. How may we help you? Charlie's in the building. PolyGod's here. Let's get into it.
Nobody finish.
They going out. She finding her. Aquafina, baby, get you some water.
Oh,
It's thirsty in that household, baby. Y'all is in there swinging.
girl, okay. I'm
Ooh,
like, geez.
they is fighting.
We already
Pathetic,
seen
you
the
didn't know
Dre
you
Day
was coming
special.
up. Girl, and got the nerve to troll somebody with that picture. Jesus, and
If
look,
y'all
I
want
see
to be
you came
added,
up.
just put some ones in the comments.
Yes, if y'all want to be added, y'all come up. Right, and got the nerve to troll. It be them trolls. Y'all see one, like, but you got the nerve to have elbow up there. Y'all gotta stop. Y'all
I'm
have to
done.
just stop it.
Trayshawn Fridge.
Ooh. All right, once. Okay, pretty girl. I got you, baby.
Pretty girl.
Hit the thing. Hit accept. When I sent you the invite, you got to hit accept. There you go.
Now I ain't gonna lie, I'm at work, so I didn't get to hear it all. I'm not even gonna lie. I didn't
No
get to
That's
worries.
hear
fine.
it. But what I did hear, I did kind of take some notes.
Not all on Jerry.
I
Ooh.
did know that
Ooh,
he
now
did
she got her book.
has 30 days, that the 30 days is the response, and the 30 days means something. So he needs to remember that Cobb County, no matter what, even if he didn't, because she was just blah, 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 blah. I'm like, God damn, breathe. So if nothing else, he doesn't remember anything. remember to go to the internet and look up Cobb County, and he can find everything that he needs there. He needs an affidavit of due diligence, a certificate, a letter. He needs to be there by 9:30. I heard that something costs 50, something says 80. His household income under oath. Um, Make sure that everything is factual and correct in the spelling, because that could hold everything up. Now, that is what I got from it. Now, I've had
Mhm.
my experiences dealing with the court system. I got baby daddies. You know what I'm saying?
Period. Yes.
I think that, and this is no shade, this is just perception, what I see. I feel that PolyGod needed somebody there with him. For as fast as that lady was talking, he is not gonna pick up on this. That's just no shade, but he's not. So for like Charlie, you be on that shit. Royce, y'all be on it. I be watching the shit out of y'all. Y'all, if he
Thank
really,
you,
really,
baby.
he needs some help. Truly, he's a little, a little. I ain't gonna, he may have rode the yellow bus and had a helmet. I don't know, but he behind and he needs some help. It was a lot. Like I said, I'm at work still trying to catch on to y'all tea and shit. But he needs some help or he ain't gonna do it. And I still feel to a degree this is truly a clout chase. Okay. He gonna fuck up on something that's gonna hold it up. That's gonna hold it up. That's gonna keep everybody interested in here. That's gonna keep tea. I'm just telling you, watch what I'm saying, that it is actually going to happen, because just talking about it and never talking to y'all, things that I thought and said to other people actually fucking happen. It's gonna happen. It's
Okay, so
watch.
question for you. Do you feel like him and Leah is running a storyline on us on Big on the application? Well, not on me, because I just be laughing and everything. But do you feel like
Hell
they run
to the
a storyline
mother.
on the supporters and things like that?
Yes, let me tell you why I say that. The day, I don't remember who panel they were on, and they were talking, right? They were talking. If I got such an attitude with a nigga, right, and I ain't fucking with him, I have no conversation. It is ceased. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna give you the cease, the void. Fuck of that. That's just how it's going to be. She entertained
Mm-hmm.
that shit. Watched the people give gifts, say a little bit more, read the comments, then cussed them out. So it wasn't like she had something that was genuinely on her heart to say. She read the
Mm-hmm.
comments and responded. Pay attention to that. If she really feeling some type of way, she gonna speak from her heart. Not let other motherfuckers that's speaking from their heart, you know what I'm saying, that's really invested,
Mm-hmm.
wanting to know the best about the baby. Now, Charlie, I did pick up on you saying about the baby's breathing.
Mm-hmm. I'm
So I
listening.
went and looked it up. I went and looked it up. And the only reason why I
Oh,
looked it up is my god baby's baby. They had to hurry up and take her because she was about to swallow her poop. That baby swallowed poop. If you go look it up, I can't, because she said the name. And I went and looked it up that day. And it is truly, it does say that the baby will breathe like that until it actually passes. Now,
Mm-hmm.
I
What?
did
wait, hold
read
on.
that.
Bigo swiped me out. What happened? Repeat that. What you think she did?
Okay. So remember, you was like in the way the baby was breathing.
Yeah.
So I happened to be on her live, being nosy, whatever, watching it like everybody else. And she named what it was, and somebody put it in there. So I went and looked it up and did the research. My goddaughters, they had to hurry up and have a emergency cesarean because the baby was about to swallow its poop, and in the womb it can
Mm-hmm.
die. So,
Mm.
because the baby's esophagus is so thin, it has to actually get that out of its system, and it's going to breathe like that. I'm not a doctor. I just researched because I didn't had 12 surgeries and doctors and put me on all kinds of shit. I'm not gonna take your word. I'm gonna go learn it for myself. It says don't listen to the messenger. Go get the message for yourself if you really want to know facts. You
Amen.
don't you don't just take
Do you think
somebody.
her smoking has to do with anything to do with the breathing too?
Oh,
Because she smoked throughout her whole pregnancy, and I was
okay.
around, so I'm confirming, and that's not alleged.
Now I'm gonna tell
So,
you also what I think. Um,
and she
there's a
drank throughout the whole pregnancy too. My
that
bad.
there is that baby could have RSV. I have twins, remember? I had my twins at 26 weeks. My kids, the first 7 to 8 months of their life, both had RSV, where I had to get their first year. They're called Synergist shots in their legs that helps their breathing. Because of that, they kept getting pneumonia. And if you listen to the way that baby breathes, until I went and read a little bit on that, what she
Mm-hmm.
said, so I can't just deflect what she said, because that is her baby. She has went to the doctor. Don't mean she digested it all, you know what I'm saying? But that part she really knew about. And she went into details, and I'm verifying it. I wasn't on Wikipedia, because Wikipedia tell you a fucking lie. So I did. And then, like I said, my goddaughter went through it. So that part, but I do think that she needs to go get that baby checked out for RSV. RSV. It's going around right now across the fucking country. Right now, if you go and look that up, it's RSV going on right now, and it's going to show you that it's going on. Like everybody getting the seasons changing, everybody get their allergies. That
Mm-hmm.
baby is going through that right now. I'm a mother
It
that went
really is.
through it. You know what I'm saying? My preemie weighed 1 pound and 14 ounces at birth. So when I say I know I
Mm-hmm.
went through. No doctor just tell me
She
I'm
really
gonna
needs
ask.
she really needs a long doctor, and not for that. If she got one opinion and the doctor saying the baby's okay. Okay, so from experience, y'all. So
May
I'm
not
the
be
one
hard.
who told her. So I'm the one who told her the baby had meconium aspirations. She didn't even know what the baby had. She over here telling
Mhm.
y'all my baby ate shit. My baby swallowed poop in the womb. She didn't even know the medical terminology for it. I had to keep saying it on my live, and she finally got it. So with that knowledge, right? Once the baby is, and it's coming once the baby is full term or post birth or whatever, they're gonna have those breathing problems. Okay, y'all know she too dumb. When y'all ever heard her say anything smart? Okay, now what's
Nothing.
Right.
given what I'm accustomed to, the baby usually have those breathing problems 3 to 5 days after birth. I would say max to a week. Okay, maximum
Right.
a week. The mere fact that it's almost a month going on two, and the baby is still
Yeah.
breathing heavily like that, is something like
Fluid
something
in the
else.
lungs.
Yes,
Fluid in the
and,
lungs.
and what'll happen is it'll clog the lungs, it'll clog the airways. So it's giving maybe something else is going on. So
Yeah.
it can be normal, but it should be passed by now, which is why we're saying at least just go and get a second opinion.
Correct.
Okay, at
It is.
least go and get a second opinion. You don't need kids to know these things. I went to school, so I don't know nothing more about
Right.
that. I mean, you don't look it up. I mean, it is what it is.
Yeah, that
But
1
baby
month.
been
yeah.
like an adult.
Had for
So
1 month. Okay, she's at that point of 1 month. But have
yeah.
you guys noticed that it seems to be getting worse and it's lasting longer? Because
Mm-hmm.
one hour, like, damn, you got a breathing machine. That's how bad. And that's the
Yes,
night
I
she
feel
Yes.
bad
just
for
I've
the
been
off.
feeling
baby.
so bad.
Yeah, I
So
feel
bad.
bad for the baby. Even in that wrap and it's too close like that. Like just give the like when
Girl,
you
you
see the
saw
ladies wrap
her
their
wrapped
child
in. You talking
and
about
you
the
gotta
basket?
unwrap. Yes, like it's ugh. And then
The
the other
baby
day how she
head was
grabbed the
all
baby
the way
by the
in it.
neck.
Yes, with
Did
one
you see that?
arm. With one
It's just
arm, Roy?
it
This
was
is
so
my
bad. It was by the neck.
this is
Yes.
my by the grace of God, I had a mother and family that, I that knew. And they was about like, hey, take the baby to the doctor, this, that.
Thank you, God.
If I give a fuck about myself enough to put on makeup, eyelashes, weave every fucking day about myself, I've carried this baby. And your job as a parent, and it's a fucked up job, I as a flawed individual have to shape somebody else more thoughts and beliefs and take care of them, so they should come first in that aspect, right? So regardless, even if I don't know, I know that I don't breathe like that. She's little. I know damn good and well I'm gonna be very protective of my baby. And I feel like for a grandmother, for a grandmother, she be he. No, fuck all that. For a grandmother, that's the part that's just like you ready to fight. And I'm doing like, bitch, we ain't sit your old ass down. I'm gonna set my old ass down. Now y'all can,
Girl.
but at this point, as an elder, we're supposed to educate as best as we can. Don't mean we
No
know it
shade.
all. Don't mean we know it all, but
Thank y'all for the
put a
gifts.
bug in your ear to tell you to go to somebody that can tell you the truth about it.
No
And my
shade.
ain't doing that. And that's my shade and tea, and that's real.
That text, Royce.
Okay?
Okay.
That's real.
Thank you, Princess.
Absolutely. And thank y'all for gifting my live and gifting the panel. Thank you so much, Pretty Girl, for your knowledge and
Yes,
your
thank you, pretty
interest in
girl.
the baby's well-being. Not necessarily, they think all you want to do is bash them. Listen, it's about the
No,
child at the end of the day. We only want the best for the child, whether the child is getting a DNA test and finding the father, whether the supporters in the room is trying to want the best and we're praying for the best for the baby. But girl, it's giving very much. That hoe was evil. That hoe was cold. That hoe was
Right.
soulless.
And we
So we
said what we
dragged
said.
that bitch. She gonna get it any day. She's going to get it. No
it's
sympathy,
Right.
no remorse for
it's
that hoe.
it's a fucking storyline, y'all. Think about how long this one thing, just one little
Done.
on forever. I wasn't here through all her pregnancy, but that went on forever. That's she eating off of that. She eating off of that for real. That's just and as things okay, she really dumb anyways. You know what I'm saying? So okay, just like Angelique Soul or whatever. Shit, she dumb as fuck. She listened to the comments and they just steer her
Right.
ass the wrong way too. Same thing goes on with Leah.
Yes. Thank y'all for gifting. Thank y'all for
You
gifting.
Thank you,
Absolutely.
pretty girl. I appreciate
Thank
you
y'all,
knowledge,
babies.
but yes, you ate that
anytime
up.
y'all think
She
All right,
ate
thank you,
that. That's
love.
what we need to call is to come up. Y'all give us the ones and
I
twos.
get
Give us the facts. Give us how y'all feel, y'all
You need
opinions.
help to
Because
drop, Roy.
not only. Oh, all right. Let me help my baby. Thank you, baby.
you welcome.
Love her down. Okay.
So,
Y'all know shade. Y'all know shade. Not only are we wanting the best, but you guys are supporters. You guys are influencers as well on this application. We cannot do this stuff without y'all. So with that being said, y'all being scammed, y'all being lied to, y'all being forced to give cash apps, y'all being forced to buy registries and push presents for lies and things like that, storylines and all this fakery and fuckery. Okay, no tea, no shade. If anything, it's y'all best interest at the end of the day as well. Okay? And we want what's best for little baby Angel. We want what's best for y'all too. No tea. I'm just saying it how it is. Somebody need to say it because obviously her dumb ass supporters over there applying that dumb ass shit. And y'all clearly hear the baby every damn day. Damn, ain't none of one of y'all gullible dumbass bitches gonna say, maybe you need to go to the hospital again. Ain't none of you slow assholes gonna say, maybe you need to just get down and rest for a couple days. No, these hoes do. Go there, keep screaming, keep yelling, keep fighting, keep smoking around the baby, keep drinking. Then after you get done getting drunk on live and screaming and yelling and hollering, go ahead and put your nasty sour titty milk inside the baby mouth so she can keep on swallowing. So far, she don't swallow fecal matter. Now she got to swallow alcohol all before 30 days.
honey, that
That's
baby
them.
fiending. That baby fiending because all that was in the baby system throughout the whole pregnancy.
Damn.
Y'all gotta think about that. The drugs. Oh, I feel bad.
All
That
of
baby
that.
innocent. All of that. But Royce,
Damn.
did you see Did you see it? Let me
Oh, I
know
was not trying
whenever
to get up here.
I
What
could
the
pay it,
hell?
but let me know if
Let
you
me.
want me to present it. Whenever you want me to present that, but I'm gonna
I
give
was
you
not
Okay.
all
trying to
of
get
it.
Okay.
up.
You know what? Let's do it. How about that? Okay.
I'm
No
checking your
tea, no
link. Okay.
shade. All right. Coming to the wavelengths, coming to the stage. X, I do have my thing. Wait, why are you here? Yeah, I got my. I'm 35. I got my alarm. I'm 35. I did 20, 25, 35. I got my alarm. Okay, coming to the stage. Da, 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 ba, 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 ba. All right, y'all. We are having a break, an intermission break. No shade, no shade. All right, you guys, make sure you are gifting. Yes, Charlie with the ones and twos. Make sure you guys are gifting, supporting the live, supporting the panel, and everything like that, and then some. Okay, bring it to the stage. It's Charlie with the tea and the hottest tea in the mornings. All right, take it away.
Thank y'all so much. So we do have some breaking news. Hopefully I'm not lagging. Somebody said I am, but I don't know if it's them. So the breaking news
Wait,
is
pause. Pause. Are we lagging y'all before we even? Because they're gonna have to be able to see. Are y'all lagging? No more no's and yeses. You was okay. We fixed now. Good. Thank you,
Okay.
audience participation. Thank you.
And I don't know if you want to bring a fufu in here, but you would have to. I sent you the receipt, so I'm definitely not going because you know they're gonna pum my ass. So
I could do
somebody,
a foo
we can,
foo.
or we can post it on our social media. You know it don't matter. So anyway,
Oh,
let me.
social
You
media.
want
Social media.
okay? So let me just spill it real quick. Let me just y'all know I like to go direct, dive in. So allegedly, well, it's really not alleged because you seen the receipt. So
Yep.
coming straight from Ari, she sent us the she sent me the receipt. So K9 has been arrested, you guys.
Oh,
Gag. He's in custody. He's in
oh my
custody.
God.
Breaking news. She's working on that right now, but we do have the black and white showing that he's in custody. So I don't know what he did exactly, but she's working on that right now.
Mm-hmm.
He got arrested
So,
last night.
let me see. Okay. Let me dig in the back end. Let me dig in the back end. So,
Yeah.
should we do? We got to do media pages. We're gonna have to do it because I'll do
Barbie
Bang with
gonna
Boo
bail
Kid.
him out. Oh well, a lot of us didn't know about this. You know, K9 is not. He kind of fell off to me, but I didn't know nothing about this. I'm just gagged. No shade.
We are
Thank you, love.
dead.
Yeah.
Okay. So if you do not mind shouting out your social media pages, I'm gonna do mine. So if you guys are on mine, y'all can look at my story. And then Charlie's
Yeah.
gonna do his. So if you on Charlie's social media, you're gonna go look in Charlie's story. So we're uploading everything right now as we speak. Okay. Hold on, please, production. All right, I'll do mine. My Instagram is Royce_. All right, that is my Instagram. I wish I can stamp it, tag it or something. Royce__ on Instagram. And then Charlie, let your Instagram be known.
Charlie No Angels, put it in the comments. Charlie No Angel with 4 L's. I'm about to post it.
We posting right now. Period. Okay. Give me posted. Confirmed. All right. While y'all go look at that tea, make sure you guys stay in the room. The latest and the hottest tea is always on the docket, baby. Shout out to the Rush Review and shout out to our co-star, the Angels. We're the founder of the Angels. Charlie's in the mother loving building. Make sure you guys are gifting the panel. Please and thank you. We cannot do it without you. Charlie should be at 6K, no shade. I should be looking at 6 as well. No tea, no shade. Thank you. I said what I said. Okay. We should be looking at 6K on Charlie's. We should be looking at 6 on mine as well. Let's get it in. Let's go. Let's gift the panel, y'all. Let's gift the panel.
I could see me is in my bio.
All right.
Yes.
You
I'm
see your
about to call you
bio?
K9.
I see A in my bio. You gonna see a foot with heels.
Okay, we see it. Okay, turn it.
Royce, I sent you the right one.
Take
That was
my
the wrong
gifts
one.
to the cash app.
I
That's
took it.
all.
I
I
don't
took
know
it
if you
down.
realize that one. Yeah, you gotta correct it. Yeah, y'all. She had that was the wrong one, but she corrected. She posted the right one. But y'all can go to my IG as
Oh,
well if
okay.
y'all want to see it. It's in my story.
Okay, let me do that as well.
It's in my IG story. Charlie No Angel 4 L's.
Okay, let me switch it. 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 Let me switch it then. Do, 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 do.
Yeah, y'all.
Dang,
This
y'all
was
fast.
new. This was new tea to us, baby. Everybody don't get stuff at the same time. You know what I'm saying? I didn't know. I'm like, what? I guess nobody
Well,
ain't been talking about it.
I knew that he was incarcerated. I did not get the
I didn't
paperwork, so I
know.
did not go live on it without a receipt. But now here's the receipt.
Oh, okay. So it was like a
Mm-hmm.
speculation yesterday. It wasn't confirmed. Okay, I got you.
Correct. It was
Thank you,
not confirmed.
lady. Thank you, love.
No T. All right, check your messages real quick.
Check your IG. Okay. Thank you, baby.
You got that?
Okay. I got you, boo.
Okay.
You know I got it. Y'all, can y'all
Period.
season a purse? Can y'all season a purse, gift us, and PolyGod got a CA. Poly, you can let them know how to support you. Can y'all run it up, season a purse real quick? Also, yeah, come up in a box if y'all have anything y'all want to say. I will kick if y'all be reckless. Red Snap, what's up?
Nah, my bad. I ain't got nothing to say. You can drop me down.
Okay, can you drop yourself, baby? I can't drop you. You gotta drop yourself, or the admin's gonna kick you, love. All right, there you go. Make sure y'all be able to drop yourselves, cause I can't drop, or you gonna get kicked, unfortunately. What's up, love? What's up? You got anything you want to say? Okay. Next caller. Join that box if y'all have anything y'all want to say. Hey, Beans.
Accident, Charlie.
Okay, boo. What's up, iCarly? Okay, everybody running me. Everybody messaging my IG. I'm looking at my IG now. Thank y'all so much. Can y'all send all of us treasures if you can, y'all? I need 10 treasures. I know I have some angels in here that have this cash sheet. So can you all run it up real quick, y'all? I'm almost at 6K. I only just need 2 treasures. Why go up there? Well, girl, you don't have to come up here. I'm just saying if y'all want to come up here, y'all can. Also, if y'all want to get the T on K9, go follow my IG. Look at my IG bio. Also, if y'all interested in making some free, legit money, you can go follow my IG. All you have to do is have a iPhone or Android. You follow my IG and click the link in my bio. It's an app called Temu. But it's like a shopping app. You download the app, you create an account, and yeah, that's how you get started. Okay, Treshawn, you got a question? Oh, dang. Okay, anybody got a question? Come up in the queue. What's the IG? I'm about to put it in the comments. Hold on. Okay, we don't care, big deal. Bye, bitch. Y'all act like what? Thank you, admins, period. We ain't promoting her. All right, that's the IG, y'all. Charlie No Angel. What's up? It's really. Well, dang. PolyGod, what's going through your mind? These people don't have any questions, I guess. Polly, you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
You good? So what do you feel like is next? Like where do you go from here, basically?
So from here, I need to come up with the rest of the money to file this legitimization packet and all these forms that I gotta do.
Period.
Polly
What's up,
told you,
Bell, baby?
hey baby, contact legal aid in your city so that they can help you. They can tell you if you have to, what you have to pay, if you have to pay any money. Legal aid will help you if you don't have the significant income. So contact legal aid. I'm telling you now, because when I got my divorce, I paid $10 for my divorce through legal aid. So contact them.
Mm,
Yes, they will,
wow.
Peter. Just look the fucking shit up in his city and sent the link. You worried about the wrong shit. Always got something to say, but don't
Oh
never
wow, they
have.
will. That's T. Thank you, Beans.
I sent
I
it
didn't
to
know
you,
they will
Charlie.
support. They will. So they do stuff like assistance and stuff for like the baby fathers
Exactly.
and stuff.
Exactly. For father's
Oh,
right.
okay.
Period.
Cool.
Oh, what happened to the panel?
What happened to everybody? Where everybody go?
What happened to the panel?
What the fuck?
What?
I just want to say this.
Oh no. What happened to the panel?
I want to
Who is
say this. I
this?
was mesmerized. My
Oh
name is
no.
mesmerized. Yes, I was in
Oh no. Get
PolyGod's
down.
family. I was in PolyGod's
Roy,
family.
if I don't
PolyGod
know what
lied.
happened. Hold on, get them
PolyGod
up
lied.
out of here.
Yeah, I
Oh
was in
my God.
PolyGod's family.
Oh
He
my,
lied on me.
get them up out of
Charlie,
here.
Charlie,
Girl, when you
Charlie,
go
I
in
got some
resting,
tea,
it
Charlie.
does this.
Charlie, Charlie, I
Oh.
got
Hold
some tea,
uh,
Charlie.
what?
invite. Okay.
Who
Charlie,
is this talking?
this
Huh?
is Mesmerized. This is the one that
Okay.
PolyGod claimed to kick out of his
All
family.
right, let me bring the wizard
PolyGod
back.
didn't kick me out of his family.
Huh?
Mesmerized left PolyGod's family because PolyGod was on some funny shit, y'all.
Okay,
What?
what happened? Land the plane, brother. What happened?
Yeah. I got PolyGod's girlfriend was talking to me behind the scenes, and she showed a sore on her lip, ladies and gentlemen.
Nigga,
So I really want to find out
you
what's
my
going on.
servant, nigga. You remember you
No,
was
no,
coming to
no,
my
no,
live
no,
saying
no, no, no,
you
no.
my
No,
servant?
no, no,
Shut the
no, no.
fuck up, nigga. You
There's
my
no
son.
servant shit going on around
Yo,
here.
you
I
know
am
I'll
the
take
final boss. There is no more final boss because I am the final boss. You have chose to leave the
yo,
family and not be
yo,
the
kick
boss
him.
that I am. You have remained to be a clout
Yo,
chaser
kick
and a
him.
troll.
Why is he talking
Oh
like
my.
that?
Ooh. Ooh, the tea. I go to the bathroom for 2 seconds
This
and
nigga's
the tea
crazy.
is being spilled.
Nah,
I
he
go to
worshiped the
the toilet
devil
for
in real
two
life.
seconds.
He
Oh
worshiped
my
the devil in
God.
real
Okay.
life.
That
Swear to
was
God, he did.
creepy.
I kicked him out the family because I realized that he worshiped the devil.
That was
Ooh.
creepy.
Dang, Charlie, you supposed to be in #1.
He don't believe in God. He do
Oh.
voodoo, all types of crazy shit. He be
Hold on,
making
add me.
dolls. He be making dolls on live and all types of shit.
I went to the bathroom real quick.
Making mad voodoo dolls.
He said, hold up. Okay, yeah, go back to #1. Okay, there we go. Period. Okay. Oh my God. The crazy. I leave y'all for 2 minutes to
He
go
mad
pee.
voodoo dolls on his live.
Yeah, Royce, when you go into resting, it does that. So next time you know, you won't be gassed.
Yes,
Anytime
I
it's
won't be there. I'm
gonna
like, oh
drop the whole panel. But I'm glad they brought that feature though. You know that it
we
be
had to
helping.
put it in. We called it the
Yeah.
bathroom break thing. We had a meeting with Bigo, and guess what? They gave it to us. Period.
No, that's T because you can keep your views, you can walk
Yep.
away, you know what I'm saying? It's so
You can walk
convenient. Thank
away.
you,
I had to go
Queen.
to the bathroom. So I was like, hold on, y'all. I don't want to pee pee on
You
live
don't
with y'all.
feel pressure, you know what I'm saying, to keep it rolling all the
Exactly.
time.
Exactly.
B gonna come a long way, y'all. No shade.
It's messing with Bigo. Shout out to the girls that's been here, baby. Beans. Okay, no shade, y'all. When I left, I just knew we was gonna be complete with the ones and twos. Okay, I just knew it. Okay, all right, we almost there. Let me shut my fat ass up. Let me shut my fat ass up. We almost there. Okay. Yes, thank y'all for gifting my co-host. Thank you. This is hard work up here, y'all. We
Thank
trying to
you,
clear
T
some
Dot.
numbers.
Thank you, Angels.
Thank you so much. He should be almost at 7K. Let's get it in. Let's go, y'all. We should be at 6. Okay. Trying to shut my fat ass up. Okay, go ahead, Charlie.
Not
Ooh,
Nicki Minaj and Trinidad.
you know Charlie like Nikki. Nikki fat ass better send us some beans, okay? Now let's get
Right.
it very much.
Girl, not too much on my mother.
Look. Say not too much of my mama. Thank you, beans. Okay. Are we interested in the girls in the queue? Because y'all be coming up and playing around.
Right, y'all
I
playing, but who
understand.
wants to get added? Just say add or some shit.
Just say add in the comments. Yeah, we trying to get down to the T. And if y'all have any comments and anything like that or concerns, this is your time to shine, baby. It's your time to be vocal and speak up.
Thank
Okay?
you.
Period. Okay, let's talk about it.
Thank you, sister.
We need to
Love
clear
you,
this. We need
Bean.
to clear one dragon. No tea, no shade, y'all. He on the way to one dragon. I'm on my way to a
Yes, can
dragon.
y'all
Let's
give me
get.
the
Let's go.
10K? Be fair. Girl, you above that, sister. You eating, baby. Yes.
I don't see
Y'all,
that number. I don't even know what
give
that
my sister
is.
the 70K. You almost at 70K. You almost at 7 dragon, sister.
My sis came
Y'all,
in though. She don't count. I don't be counting them. They just
10K,
love me
10K.
down.
No, girl, we counting because you eating. I love it. You know I'm gonna give you your deal. We ain't gonna shortcut you. We ain't gonna discount you. Stop doing that, Royce. I told you about that.
Yes, that's
You
true.
gonna
That's true.
own it. You know what I'm saying? You ate. Girl, it don't matter. The girls love to discount you. You be eating it, girl. I'm gonna give you your fucking money.
Yes, I
Keep
works.
eating. Period.
Thank you, babies. Thank you, Malika. Okay, there we go.
What's
I
up,
see it.
real? What's up, baby?
Hey y'all, Royal. Royce is definitely that bitch, and Charlie, I love you too. I really love both of y'all. Like, no funny
Love you
shit.
too, baby.
But I have a legit question. Charlie. Like, you a real nigga. I'm a real bitch.
Mm-hmm.
I really want to know, like, what. Because I miss you talking about everyone. I miss you, you know what I mean, doing like your thing every day, like your raffles, like your music
Mm.
shit. You always put me onto music. Like, I love that. You know, I used to wake up and listen to you all day at work. I feel like
Oh,
something has changed. And like a lot of your energy is like focused on this specific situation. And I feel like it's making you be like a little bit different. And I'm just wondering like what that's about.
okay. So you think I'm staying on one thing? Is that
I
what
want
you
to know like
think,
what
or
like
what is?
no, and it's not shade. So fuck anybody. I give Charlie. I've been one of his fucking what you call it before. One of his admins. Like I'm genuinely curious as to like what's making my fave. You know what I mean? Like go like this on Leah. I don't know what.
Wait,
My
Aaliyah
man
in.
is trying to call me. Can you hear me?
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead,
I
baby.
don't. I'm not taking it as
Can you
shade.
hear me?
Finish what you're saying. Yeah, I'm
Mm-hmm.
listening. Go ahead.
No, it's literally not shade. I'm just literally wondering, like, what does she do? Like, I'm not saying, oh, she ain't do shit till you fuck that. I'm asking him what she did to him. Honestly, like, I genuinely
I
want to
think.
know
I
because
think
my fave is
honestly,
upset, y'all.
people. So people don't understand people, and I get what you're saying, boo. And I'm not saying you, because you probably don't feel this way. But what people don't understand is it was actually like a week or 2 weeks that went by, and I was paying Leah. I was ignoring her. I was being a bigger person. This was before, you know what I'm saying? This is when she was throwing out threats saying she was gonna refoul. You know what I'm saying? I was ignoring her. She kept talking, kept talking. So little did she know I was talking to Jack behind the scenes, and I just happened to come back hard on her because I knew I had the thing that was gonna shake up the app because she kept messing with me. So it was just like, girl, okay, I'm
Mm-hmm.
about to get back on your ass. I was really taking a break on her and really focusing on
Mm-hmm.
Angelica. Y'all forgot she leaked my
Mm-hmm.
social. She tried to do a damn credit report on me. She took me to court for a TPO and she lost. She done doxed me. She done did a lot. Leah's not innocent, and people seem to forget that. But I gave her like a 2-3 week grace period, and she kept talking about me. So I unleashed the clip, and I got to Jack, and I shook up the app, and I did my damn thing. And she also stole my mail. Thank you. So she done
Mm-hmm.
more to me in real life. I ain't mess with her in real life. I ain't mess with her property. I ain't dox her. You know what I'm saying? All I did was read her on the app as I should, because she talk about
Now
me.
I got a question
As
because
you
that was a good
should. No, yeah,
question
I
number two.
respect that.
That
Yeah.
was a good question number two. So, do you feel like y'all friendship was genuine? Like, are you hurt that you guys are not friends anymore? See, that could be a thing, right? For
Wait,
those
who?
that's
Of
No,
asking.
course
no, I don't
not,
feel like I
baby.
was friends with anybody on this app. I was always a supporter. But like my only thing was that like what Charlie just said, he made a lot of good points. And I heard other people say those things. But like sometimes what people might not realize too is that we don't watch I watch Charlie, I watch Dre Baby, and I listen to other
Right.
people. But like if Charlie's not talking about it, if I don't see him doing it, I don't know what happened. You know what I mean? So I don't
Mm-hmm.
know that she's doing those things. I don't watch her like that. I
Right.
felt bad for her and I see everybody attack her because I'm a mom. You know what I mean? So I be feeling bad for her sometimes. I'm gonna keep it a beam, but at the end of the day, I fucks with Charlie. You know what I mean? Like my loyalty is with him, and that's why
So
I
you
asked him
saying
what
I
Mm-hmm.
probably should
happened.
just ease up? But I'm honestly, sister,
No,
I
I
really
don't
was
think that.
trying.
I
I
really
really
think
No.
that
was.
on some real nigga shit, he needs to stay off the internet and handle it the right way. Like him even getting on here and talking to an attorney on live, yo, that's weird. If my baby dad did that shit, I would say my baby dad was losing it. Why ain't you at the courthouse? He could have been filed. He got an attorney. He could have been handled it on the back end. You know what I'm saying? Like Royce
Mm-hmm.
been telling him. Like Royce told him last week. That's all
Mm-hmm.
I'm saying. I
So,
don't think
Polly, what
nobody's
you got
doing
to
nothing
say? What you
wrong.
got to say in response to that?
I respect it coming from her. She's a real viewer and a supporter of mine, so I don't think she meant no shade. That's her opinion. On the
Leah,
outside looking in, it looked like I'm going
Hold
hard
on,
on her.
Polly.
I get it. But go ahead, Polly. My bad.
Mm-hmm.
ever since March 26th and March 27th, Leah been lying on me saying all over the app that I only ate her out, and that's not even true. And then she dragged me for no reason. When I met her, we just had a good time. You feel me? And then she gonna do all this shit, all this crazy shit. I can understand she could lie like that, and there was no baby involved. If you want to let everybody think that I only ate you out and that's it, I don't give a fuck. But now there's a baby involved. Now this is not a game. You feel me? Like, tell the truth. I nutted than you 5, 6 times that night. and now you over here trying to play games and shit. Like what the fuck?
So
She started this fake. She put in a storyline over the baby life. She
I can
putting
agree
B
with
go
that.
over
That
the
that Leah
baby life, bro.
storyline,
That's
Jack.
why.
She definitely did. But PolyGod, at the end of the day, like when I had my son's father was in the courthouse 2 weeks later. Not because he didn't think it was his, but because he wanted to be a father. And he didn't want nothing to come in between him being a father to his son. To this day, we got custody in court. And nobody said it's not about me, bitch. It's proven that a real nigga gonna move like a real fucking nigga. No excuses. When it's time to get down about them kids, he gonna move. That's it. That's all I gotta
check
say.
your
I love you,
DM on
Shorty Boy.
Instagram. Thank
Love
you, my
you,
love. And I love how
Juicy.
gangsta and gutter and real you just
I
are.
love her. Look, I
Okay.
couldn't even be mad at her. She's real.
I love the girls be up real, they be up front, and y'all. This is a time for y'all to speak up. If you got something to say, whether it's your favorite host, whether we did something wrong, something you don't agree with, something you do agree with, hello, let's talk about it. Y'all at the Royce Review, honey, co-starring the Angels. Let's get it in. Let's go. Oh, I love the audience when they call. Y'all got those little solitary ticket things. Can I have them? Like, I just need a few of them because this is a thing popping up on my screen and it's asking me to collect solitary tickets. I don't know what for, but it's asking me. Thank y'all who gifted. Thank you, Keita. Thank you, Sassy. Thank you, Embellis. Thank you. I want to give y'all a shout out. Thank you, Beagle and Champ. It's in Shambalations. That's my word. Put that on your name. Hey, Kitty Red. Oh, Dominique. Ooh. The girls in here are rich.
Yes.
All right. Who's calling up in the queue? Let's talk about it. Whether it's PolyGod, whether it's Royce, whether it's Charlie. Y'all got three very much at y'all
Y'all, I
hand.
need
Like,
three
let's get
crowns.
it. Let's go.
3 crowns, y'all.
And we need gifts. Period.
Give someone with an AK.
No shade. You eating the girls up. Snapper, you don't even know you snapping at the girls right now. Let me put my baby
Oh,
down.
my
She don't know
bad.
what she doing. It's all right.
My bad,
Why?
Royce.
This who stop putting that thing to your lip. Period. Snapper, you cute though. This one don't got clip. I'm gonna need you to put all your instruments down. Okay, down. I tell you.
Oh
Ooh, they
yeah, girl.
not
I be
playing with him tonight.
forgetting. I keep
They
forgetting I'm
not
on
playing with him
damn.
tonight. Every time he violate, they put him right down. But at least they're not clipping him permanently. All right, Miss
Right.
C, I hope you know that you're in the queue. If you do not know that, thank you. Thank you, Mr. Bora. Yes. If you do not know that, please know that. Baby, you are next with the three. Okay, y'all come up here. Oh, she didn't know. Period. Baby, if you didn't know that you're in the queue, you're up next. Jazzy Bell, you're next. Okay. Oh, I hope y'all heard me here. Ooh. Okay, they leaving as I call them out. Cash. Hopefully you in the queue for right reason, Cash. Girl, first of all, girl, the room don't change. It's a miss. All right, you
You
know what?
know, the
Y'all gonna
Angels do
stop
what
playing
they
with me.
want to do, girl. They do what they want to
They
do.
gonna
The
stop
Angels.
playing with me. It sure did that because I didn't do that.
Yeah, girl. I already know it does that. You know, I
Okay,
already
you
know.
know what? All right, we only taking girls from the comment section. Everybody get down. Cause y'all be trying it. Everybody get down. Okay. Well, I'm only taking girls from the comment section. I wish I could make my panel bag smaller. Can I do it? Yes. Okay. We're only taking girls from the comment section. So if you want to come up, say I. If not, we can get in, we can wrap it up, we can solo it, we can line each other, we can talk trash, whatever. I do want to thank Mr.
It's
PolyGod for
whatever you
coming
want
out
to
and
do,
he's giving
baby.
you
You
guys,
know.
yeah, a chance to talk to him. And the girls is over here acting shy. Like,
Right.
all that mouth y'all be having. Oh, we got that on tape. I want nothing to do with that nasty slut. Hey, Boss Hall, we know it's bad. We know it's bad. We can't just for you, cause I know you being here supporting or whatever case may be. That's we keep the girls mad for no reason.
Y'all, I
For
need
no
one more
reason.
treasure, and I'm at AK.
Y'all, please run it up, run it up, run it up. If somebody can support my co-host, please, that'd be fantastic. I thank y'all so very much. We was
Yes.
trying to go ahead and clear out 2 more dragons and 1 more 100 diamond gift if we can.
Y'all ate that.
I don't like this Chinese ass bang. I'm just gonna be honest with y'all. Now I'm over here giving y'all Ronnie from the Players Club. Okay, I'm over here giving
No,
y'all
but I'm
Ronnie from the
feeling it.
Players Club.
It
I'm
compliments
not
your skin tone.
Period. Thank you. We be clubbing. This how look like when she talk, the words should come after her mouth. Uh, oh, I'm hi y'all. My name Leah. Oh, y'all come ahead and send me cash out. This hoe is giving Chinese motherfucking bang down. Look at this. I don't like it.
Stupid, sis.
And not only that, it's giving very much. I'm the one that said I wanted bangs in my life. So you know the girls got to go and get bangs. No tea, no
Of
shade.
course,
Okay.
girl.
But like they sounded so dumb. Like
Ooh,
1 minute, like they would talk about the baby,
big
but then they
ass
be like, "We
bangs.
just here for the baby's well-being."
Big ass bangs.
Yeah, you know, we just really
But this
Not the
is
just
the
trying to
bang
help the
thing.
gang.
baby. No, y'all not. Like
I
y'all
don't like
being
it.
messy.
I don't like
And
it.
he
I don't
I
dragging
like
it
don't
it
too
at
like it
much
all.
either.
now too. And I
Mm.
I
told
don't
him,
like
man, get
it.
on live, but I feel like at this point
Yeah,
this
let's
is
get
not
it.
fucking true. Like you dragging it too much, bro. Like
Oh,
you
the
Nito, it's
girls,
dragging it
giving
the
too much.
girls,
wannabe
the girls feel
Nikki.
like
It
you
can
dragging it,
never.
Polly. The girls feel like you dragging it.
So you could play the
No, that's what
video
I
Okay.
told
where
him. I was like, why?
she says she don't want to find out who the baby daddy is. She
Yeah.
says
So
she don't
why is
know
she
who the
still
baby
doing
daddy
content if
is.
she don't care if
Of
she
course
find a
she
baby
don't
daddy
want
or not?
to.
Y'all like it? I don't like it. I think the bang too big. It look like a Chinese like bang, like she trying to do something. Like I don't know. I don't get it. I don't
I
like it.
don't
I
like
like
it,
a
but you
nice
know what? I
little
ain't no liar.
wispy.
It look better than the last style, though. It look way better than
Okay,
the.
I'll give you that. It does look better than the last style. I don't like it. Yeah, I ain't like my hair at first, but it's growing on me. Okay, it's giving what it is. Maybe I'm not a.
Girl, I like your hair.
I don't be liking stuff. Okay, some people like it, some people don't. It look like her mouth, like the word should be catching up to her mouth. She belong in like a Harajuku movie or something. I don't get it. I don't know. All right, Vero Davis, what's your tea? Oh, it's a stone in. And a bang go right here. A bang don't go like I don't know. It's just it might just be me. I
It
might
do
just be
look a
tripping
little
off
too
here.
big. It look a little
It's like it's
big
a
for
big
her head.
bang like this.
Yeah.
But that's just me.
But it ain't. It ain't. It looked better than the last style though. Way better. But it
It look
looked
better
too
than
big.
the last time. Okay.
Yeah.
It's like yeah, it look like a helmet, like a bowl was set on her head, and it just cut around the bowl like this. Yeah, that would it look like. But that's just me. Okay.
Yeah.
One side longer than the other side. That's just me. Okay, but it does look better. It is cuter. Okay.
Thank
I
you,
ain't the
Lady
best on
Ryan.
hairstyles or anything, so I'm just talking
Yes.
my trash,
I'm
but
at
it is
my
what it
goal.
is.
Thank y'all, babies. Yes.
Thank you. If y'all got two more shields, if somebody could donate two more shields to Charlie, that'd be fantastic. And then if y'all could donate me a couple shields, that'd be great. Okay, we're gonna take up one more call in the queue. Pretty, don't you know you're in the queue? Hey, Lady Writer. Pretty, don't you know you're in the queue? She probably don't know. If y'all want to be added, yes. Okay, making sure because I want to add you and you got some wig off and stuff like that. Okay.
Yeah, girl, my wig off, so I'ma calm down. But as
I
far
knew
as
it.
what it goes with Leah, I feel like she knows her mom cares about that baby. Her mom gives a fuck about that baby very, very much, and I'm glad that she do, because somebody always need to care about the child. But she knows that's why she does that smirks that she do and shit like that. If people would have came out, y'all, let me not say that. If people would have came and bust out her windows and shit like that, and Leah didn't have that baby, her ass would have got kicked out. We already done seen her get kicked out
Yep.
before. It's the
Her mama
baby.
don't kick her out like 50 times. It's sad. It's really sad at this point. It's like really sad at this point.
Yeah, it's the baby. She cares about that baby, so Leah can stay. She always worries about that baby. So I understand on the mother point why she wants Leah to stay there because of the child. If people go and bust her windows or do something to her house, the baby's with her. It's not that she loves
Yes.
Leah, but it's the baby. It's
Yep.
gonna
It's the
always
baby
be the
that's keeping
baby, it
that
seems
afloat.
like.
Yep.
And
Because if
Polly,
you left it to
you need to
them,
stand up. If you really do feel like that's your child, you need to I hope you use this money that these big old people are giving you to really do this and not bullshitting us.
You better.
Not gonna
mm-hmm.
be bullshit. Nobody like there's a whole real life baby involved, and this bitch is mad mature. Somebody got to step up. Both parents can't be immature. Like what the fuck?
And we
But I feel
applaud you
you on
for at
that
least
though. I'm
trying.
not gonna play with nobody money. I'm gonna use it for everything good.
And just don't get your
Mm-hmm.
feelings involved, probably, because it's still a possible chance that you may not be the dad. but definitely
Oh,
still handle her and still
no
get to the
shade.
bottom.
Could you show that picture again of the
Oh,
son?
sure.
And they look
Mhm.
just alike. It might just be his.
I'll show both of the pictures. You talking
I
about
thought it looked
all of
like
the pictures?
PolyGod, but then it looked like the other man too. And his oh 21 BG. I'm not even joking. When I tell you it looked like them too, oh my God, it looked like them too.
Wait, this one. Hold on.
Good evening.
Good
The
evening,
shade is
big.
real. I love those
Oh,
rose-colored glasses. Yes, ma'am. The shade is real. All I want to say is probably got good luck. If the child is yours, I hope that you do the right thing and be a great father.
What?
I hope that you do the right thing and be a great father. And as far as that baby is concerned, that is the number one concern right now. It's not about Leah, it's
absolutely.
not about her mama, it's about that baby. And that baby being okay. And that baby looks just like PolyGod. I'm dropping now.
It's
I love you.
icky. Love you, big. Love my baby.
I love you too.
Ooh, I don't know, y'all. Okay, so for everybody that's in the room, okay. Ooh,
Is it the
y'all,
blues baby? Is it the blues baby or is it
the
PolyGod?
gods, baby. Okay,
Right.
so everybody that's voting for number 3, which is Keontae Hampton. Also, we know that she's over here watching and always obsessively watching with us because she sent one of my lives where I let Keontae Hampton come to the forefront of whatever things may be, and she sent him our messages. So shout out to us for being stalked through the windows and things like that. Hopefully, we're getting the DNA test and everything. Is going smoothly over there for the girls. So Keontae Hampton is number 3. Yeah, she sent me a message of my live gag. Do y'all think it's Keontae Hampton's? Can we get some baby emojis in the comments if you think it's Keontae Hampton's? Oh, not a 1?
Hell no.
Even though I broke. Oh, y'all is real tired. Okay. All right. If you think it is PolyGod, number 2 up there, number 2. Can we get some baby emojis for number 2? Okay. Can I start seeing some baby heads if y'all think it's
It's
PolyGod?
finna be a lot, girl. It's finna be a lot.
Ooh,
Ooh,
okay. They put a bottle. I did not ask. I
it's
did not
not a
ask for that.
bottle.
I'm gonna put a bottle for the next thing, y'all. Just baby heads for PolyGod. If y'all think it's PolyGod's baby, put baby heads. Baby head. Put baby heads. PolyGod, do you see that? Do you really see that, PolyGod? I don't even think you. And these babies in here are fathers, mothers, babysitters. They know what's going on. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right. Everybody stop. Everybody stop. Ooh, not a pregnant emoji. All right. If you think it is baby blues, okay? If you think the baby is in the blue family, okay? Can we get some baby bottle pops? Baby bottle pops. Can we get some baby bottles in the room? All right, we're gonna go in there. We're gonna watch it real quick, real quick. It's 50-50. Since they were 6 days apart, y'all think they just shared the womb? It's between Blue and Polly. No shade.
Right.
Wow. It looked like both of them. Because they was around the
Cause
same time.
look how identical the baby looked to Blue's child. Look, you
Yes,
see
they
that?
look like the same baby. No shade.
Man, baby, but the thing is, the baby got poly head, so we really don't know, girl.
Even that little, but that nose is theirs all the way. That nose is
Yep.
theirs, baby.
Yep.
Ooh.
They got Cali blue nose. The baby got Cali blue nose, but Polly got forehead and head shape.
Lord, it's because they shared the womb 6 days apart.
Oh my god.
It's because they shared the same womb 6 days apart.
That's not super,
Ooh.
y'all. He just Keontae look like super in the picture. Somebody said, "Why super up there?" That's not super.
That's not super to Keontae. And Keontae he was, what was the date? I think he was after PolyGod.
Yeah, a
So
little
all
bit
these men
after.
was within like a week
In the same
span.
month, right? Yeah,
Yeah, no, weeks.
the same
So
week. Yep.
6 days,
That's
and then
nasty.
she met Keontae that next week. So like y'all, within 2 weeks, 3 men within 2 weeks. I'm just saying 2 weeks is just to be fair. But it was like a week and like 3 days. No, all raw dog them all.
Shut up, Royce. You crazy.
Do you know how loose of a goose you gotta be? When Leah opened her legs, you can see that whole esophagus.
Girl.
That womb is a bucket. You could play slam dunks in that shit. Like you can really play basketball in that bitch. Like it's crazy. Oh, Lord have mercy. Coochie hole so wide you could throw up a block party. It's crazy. It is a nightmare on Elm Street. Now, this is my infamous question. Bander. Wow. Get her. Get her again. Get her for me. Get her for
What?
Polly.
What you
Get her for
mean?
PolyGod. They clipped the girl.
For real?
Y'all a mess. Don't do it, y'all.
Good
Y'all a mess.
job. Good job,
Good
Angels
job.
and the Royce. What you call your people, girl? I'll be. What you call?
Royce gang. Royce
Royce
gang.
gang. Okay, good job, Angels and Royce gang.
We appreciate it. It's giving very much. Y'all. Thank you, Winnie. You won't win. Just give it up. We will respect you more if you came to the platform and really try to be honest and truthful with us. Like we would respect you more. No funny. Give it up. The jig is up. You're a whore. You're a slum bucket ass whore from the year 2020s. Okay, you're a motherfucking convict. You ain't nothing but a deadbeat on your mama ass fucking couch. And your mama ain't nothing but a bulldagging ass slut that wear 27-piece ass wigs, and she condone your motherfucking stupid ass. Okay, doing this type of things to men. Let's just really talk about it, bitch. Okay.
Well, her mama don't care because her mama a dyke now. You know, after her dad ran out on her, and you know her dad's gay, so that's why she hate the gays. I don't know if
Yes.
you ever noticed
Yes.
that. So
Yes.
yeah, her dad left her mom, and her mom turned into like a dyke, so a full on like lesbian. So
You know I know the tea. She be mad that y'all
yeah,
don't
girl.
expose that. It's giving very much. Oh, you ain't no cute. Uh-huh. And it's also giving, girl, it's the bird in the comment.
Girl, I'm done.
Yeah, that's why she hate the gays. You see how bad she went up on Dre Baby. Talked about Dre Baby's deceased. Um, try- um, oh my God.
But want to talk about Mama Imp. Imp, baby, Imp look good. Honey, I told Imp, I said, girl, I want to be like you when I grow up. Okay, that's what you call black beauty.
Oh,
Black.
not hey Arthur. Hey Arthur.
This. Oh, I was just giving you your door deals.
He was giving you your knock. That's Charlie. That's Charlie. One. Hey Charlie. That's Charlie with the T.
Yeah, I was giving you your guts. I was giving you your guts. I was giving you your guts. Beautiful. Period.
What is that? Is that Alvin and the Chipmunks?
In Arthur.
That's
What a
Arthur.
wonderful time today.
It looks like she want to say, "Oh my God, I have a disrespectful daughter."
Oh.
Everybody, please, everybody, don't listen to her. She don't. I'm gonna take the baby. I'm going to take the baby from all of
Hold
you.
on. Jada had something to say. Hold on, Jada Boo. You feel like her mama had a career and everything. Da, 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 da. She said, my mama on big up on her mama had a career. Hold on, Jada. Come on up.
My mama.
Hold on. We're going to get Jada together.
Baby,
Let me go get my
M
job.
got
My name
plenty of
tag.
bags. M got
Let
plenty
me
of
go get my
bags.
name tag from you, girl.
Her mama's a government official.
Let me go get my name tag.
Sweet. As much as
Baby.
they say she did this and that, she's the government official. That's why I wanted Jada to come up. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's go. Hold on. She'll be back. She'll be back. You ain't got to show them your credentials. The girls know the tea. Oh, don't say your name. Oh, okay.
Career, honeys. Hello, babies.
Wow.
Where are the
Eat that.
The phone's too small.
Eat that.
So this is me on my badge. I'll
Put
be
her in
going
a
back
big
to work
box.
on March 5th. What's that? Sure. What is that?
Oh, a block.
Oh, I'll be going back to work on March 5th. This is me on my name tag. And you see what these are? These are emergency codes, honey. Job.
All right. How do I make you
Job. Job. Okay? Job.
I don't know how to flip you.
Okay? Watch me travel on y'all ass on March 5th. Well, March 4th. All right? I get to go back to work. I'm on vacay. This is me. These are codes, honey.
And Auntie,
and if the girls in the comments know,
plural,
code blue,
job,
code red, code this, code.
Period.
Y'all know what these are for the girls. When you in this career, I don't have to call. If you know what this are, you know what they are. Thank you.
Medical,
hey you.
medical, yes,
oh, no, I got on glasses.
You look good, girl.
Career that.
Girl, that is crazy. Okay. Stop it.
You
Stop
better, you better talk.
It's
you better talk that
much.
talk, Auntie. Talk that talk, Auntie. Period. That part.
Well, thank you, look, thank you, nephew. Y'all so petty. They so petty. Oh, a long career, honey. Careers.
Okay. I said, no. Put respect on it, honey. Job, sir. Okay. She's getting that big old coin. Big O is an extra coin for her. She
they don't know that.
She got that outside bag. Okay. Period.
Yeah, when the state come, them codes matter. No tea, no shade. Let's get into it. And she don't did everything she had to do. She don't fail. Well, not necessarily. I wouldn't even say failure because it's always you come out on the end. You come out on top. You come out victorious. In her 20s, she did some strange, bad things, whatever the case may be. But now that she's older, she has conquered. You know, she done made it through the fire.
And we all have a past. So what? Yeah. It's about what you're doing now. It's about what you're doing now. Like you said.
Exactly. 20 years ago.
No, 24, 25. Baby. I'm
25.
48. I'm 48.
Oh. Girl, old girl. Girl, you is so old, girl.
You want to come up and speak about it? What you mean?
Come on, Jay. It's okay.
I'm about 58 periods.
I'm 48, honey.
Yeah, she almost 50, y'all.
It look good. That's good, baby.
Okay, I'm almost 50, baby, and still wear heels, bitch.
Yes.
I still put on high heels.
Charlie, stop hyping her, please.
Charlie,
no, that's a flag.
And I beat their ass in bowling the other night. My kids tried to go up against me. Yeah. I slaughtered them, Charlie. I slaughtered them.
Look, I'm going to be, when we go out, I'm going to be on Imp team, honey. You going to be mad.
Oh! And you are, Charlie. You are. I'm going to make sure you with me. Don't worry. You're
it's giving okay. He's sold out.
No, because he's smart.
Girl,
don't sell out. He's a smart young man.
He switched sides.
I fuck with him. You already know that.
It's giving Manny Fresh. Put Manny Fresh back on that camera.
Oh, girl, you want to see it? I'm done. Let me put it on my iPad.
Lil Mama look just like Manny Fresh. Oh, God. Oh, my God. That girl look just like Manny Fresh. It's sad. And got the nerve to talk about somebody. Oh, my. Look. I did. Same. Look. Come look. Look at Manny Fresh.
Oh shit!
No cursing.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to curse. Oh my God!
Oh, there's no cursing.
Oh my God! Put some respect on her name. Oh my God!
Oh my God! Y'all look at that.
Oh my!
Look at that. Damn. Look at that.
Damn, sis.
Oh my God.
It's the.
I mean, I don't want to talk about the lady because she, mature woman like me, but it's a resemblance there.
Yeah, she's talking about everybody else.
No, but she can't talk about. She be talking about you. You know what I'm saying? You were beautiful.
You lying? She don't talk about me.
But
no, not her mama. No, I'm talking about Leah. My thing is.
Oh, Leah talk. Oh, that's right. Leah, you got an ugly ass mammy. Your mammy real ugly. She look like Manny motherfucking Fresh. Leah, your mammy is ugly. And she look like Manny Fresh.
Leah, your mama is ugly.
And you look like Amber Banks. Ooh. Your mama got a gap. Between her legs, your mama got a gap. In her head, your mammy look like Manny Fresh. And Leah, you can't deny, bitch.
Oh, period.
That's winning. Winning.
Yo.
Don't talk about me, ho. When your baby got a deep throat. Stop talking about me, ho. When your baby got a deep throat.
You made me look like a polar bear. You made me look like a polar bear.
Girl, you don't make me step on you, Lil. And your mammy. Your mammy like, where? Bitch, I am the baby.
out my room. You know you her admin, so your admin won't be taking their hate.
We ain't weird. We return the energy. This is not weird. This is called return the energy.
She wanna call everybody. She wanna say everybody loose, but this is when she was at my party 2 months pregnant.
Ooh! Oh my God!
What's that?
Ooh!
2 months pregnant at my party. She was 2 months pregnant at my. You remember I had a meet and greet last year, an Angels meet and greet. She was pregnant at my party. That confirms it. I told y'all she was 2 months at my party.
Yeah, she was slow.
She was drinking and
What
stuff.
day was that?
I got it on video. I got proof. That means I have proof that she was drinking, she was smoking. That means I ain't been lying. I have proof of all that. That
right.
Yep.
And that she had a boyfriend out there. Remember, she dated the DJ.
Yeah. Yep. Mr. DJ. All night.
Okay. Hey, Mr. DJ. You can start this party. Everybody ready to party. All night. Aaliyah is ready to back it up on you.
Ooh, for free.
Y'all wrong for what y'all doing.
Hold on. She gonna go cry in the car. She finna go cry. She finna go cry in the car right now. She over there crying in the car. I cannot deal with Manny Fresh for Africa Fresh. Manny Fresh for Africa Fresh. That picture ain't Photoshop. No, it ain't.
Okay.
Get somebody else to do it. Y'all wanna come over here and try to get y'all reports on? Kick all them bitches out. Kick them all out. Okay? Yeah, we just keep killing the girls' time. See,
I love it in your house, Royce.
I love it over here.
Out in your home. Royce's
No
home.
tea. We have fun over here at the show. Now look,
I feel
it's
safe.
one thing.
I feel safe over here.
Yeah, she ended to report, and then all her people started coming in my live. No tea, no shade. So it's given they be wanting to report and everything like that. Y'all gotta understand, right?
Yeah,
we ain't trying to what the girls been doing. What guys who did the other day, something the FBI and the SWAT team did we? You know, we ain't over there sending, you know, the fire department or anything like that, you know.
What, he really did that for real?
Oh, let's get into it. Let's get into the tea. Oh, let's get into it. You may need to recap this tomorrow. Oh, let's get into the tea while we here. We might as well let's do it. All right, y'all. Make sure y'all tap the screen and share the live, cause honey, we gotta catch Charlie up with the tea. No shade. Okay.
You know, I was on a little temporary. I'll be in and out, this month.
You was on the hiatus. But no, it was good. You gotta take a break. Trust me, this stuff gets very overwhelming. Yeah, it really does.
I've been going strong for 3 years straight, girl. I'm taking a little break.
Okay, take a break. Listen, I got 3-4 days left in me, then I take a break immediately.
Girl, yeah. Look, Friday.
So all you gotta do is just be like, stay in another state, and they'll, go.
Well, if you give them the address that you want, or if you're calling in another state, you give them the address. How they come to your house, Zeus? Come on.
Okay, thank you, baby.
Let me cut this light off. Hold on, y'all.
Just a second. I do not. Oh, you too scared, Queen Man? You too scared? Oh, God, Losers, God.
Oh, 911.
You finish what you need to do offline.
Yes, Charlie.
Yes. Work your motherfucking set, bitch. Work your set. Y'all thought we wasn't gonna motherfucking meet y'all where you at, bitch. Work your set, little Zeus.
Okay, we're gonna skip her. Try to sit.
Congregating around lives and rewatching and claiming, I'm gonna send it in to Beagle. You don't think that Beagle knows what the fuck half you hoes be doing, bitch? I would have been up in that head a long fucking time ago. Beagle knows how dirty you bitches are. Keep being pressed, because when I get off this live and go to sleep, bitch, and wake up tomorrow and continue talking on about whatever my motherfucking content is, bitch, y'all gonna gag. Give a fuck. Send in this. Go fuck yourselves, bitches. Noni, burn in hell, bitch. And the rest of you hoes.
It was real dark. And so that's Lil Zeus in the box right there.
He has a lot of guns to the baby's head.
And where?
Okay, Charlie.
And the rest of you hoes.
Hold on, I was talking. Listen to when Lil Zeus get up in the box. So they calling the SWAT on Leah and talking about something. She got a lot of GUNs to the baby's head. Listen to what he say. Listen.
I said what the fuck I said. He has a lot of guns to the baby's head.
And
where is that the address you gave me?
Ooh.
Well, y'all playing. Listen, I ain't mad at Lil Zeus. He's playing. He's playing y'all game. He's playing y'all game. I don't want to hear nobody in my motherfucking live being like, this is too much. I want to remind all 2,600 people.
For real, I'm over it.
Child was interviewed because this bitch went down and said that her fucking child was sexually assaulting the other child and raping them or sodomizing, whatever, on motherfucking live.
No shade.
So
Leah's done a lot of stuff.
I don't want to hear shit from y'all.
I'm gonna just take it down, but keep listening. It
exactly. Y'all didn't know that?
Keep listening.
Did y'all forget? Mezzie's child has trauma and was told that her motherfucking child was fucking sexually assaulted.
But y'all, this was bad.
She sure did. I
exactly. Bitch. Who the fuck is this bitch? Come up here. Security, don't mute them. I'm looking for
I'm skipping the girls in the box. So play? His whole thing was, you know, she loved to spread him having alleged STD disease, you know, house and so he went off, and then don't forget the night before this, she called the FBI on him. So it just again, everybody just returning energy.
It's cool when they do it. Little Zeus, that is horrible. Don't do all of that.
Yeah, Unique baddest, no shade.
Nice.
Right, Unique. No, that's a lot. Right. I'm gonna bring it back, but I just don't want to get.
Them same two bitches drug my daughter that ain't even on this app. Now look at you hoes now. Look at you bitches. Karma. I am so enjoying this shit, y'all. It's just enjoyable.
They do that to your child too? They do that to your child?
I don't mind admitting I have a daughter in prison for manslaughter for protecting someone, but they made it for some other shit and tried to make some shit out of it.
So Leah drugged this lady daughter.
Leah and Teresa and a couple more others.
Yes, I'm there.
Right here. Her name.
But look at y'all now.
Hold up, bye, Felicia. Hold on.
Don't drop me, Robert. Don't drop me. Yes, the address is 3257 Valley View Street.
You see that, Charlie?
I don't want him to dox the girls. We don't do doxing over here. We don't do doxing. We don't dox.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I have 3257. But for
3237. 3237.
I'm in 3237. I'm in.
3237. Yes. Okay, Valley View Street. Is that correct?
Yes, that's so correct.
Wow.
Oh my God, Little Zeus, that's horrible. Don't do that. Don't do that to somebody else who's called on Mezzie's children, who's called on Keith Jones, who's called on let me see who else, who's talked about Polly's children. Don't do that. That is horrible. I have to correct the action. Please, we're gonna unmute you, but this is not okay. Be nice.
21953.
Okay, tell me exactly what happened.
Okay, the mother has multiple guns to her head and the baby's head.
Multiple. Hey, just me. Thank you, baby. Thank y'all for supporting me and Charlie. Can y'all make sure y'all gift us? Charlie almost at his 10.
Oh, y'all gagging now?
Y'all heard that?
Oh, this is too much for y'all?
I know y'all heard it. Multiple. Listen.
I have to correct the action. Please, we're going to unmute you, but this is not okay. Be nice.
21953.
Okay, tell me exactly what happened.
Okay, the mother has multiple guns to her head and the baby's head.
Multiple. Hold on, I'm gonna take it down. My room already is hot right now. If they if they snip me, y'all, I'll be
You
dead.
know they mad. They over here definitely reporting for sure.
Oh, y'all gagging now?
They mad. Yeah, you
this
already
is
know
too
they
much
are.
for y'all. Oh my God. It's fucked up when somebody else does it, but it's okay when they do it.
You act like we the one that did it. She just playing it
Yeah,
on
we
her.
ain't doing. We just showing y'all the clip.
It's fucked up when some God, dude, you are too high above this. No, I'm not. No, I'm not.
Here,
I'm
he
not
took
too
me to
high above
Jared.
this.
He took me to Jared.
God, dude, you have degrees and you have no. I've had the FBI, apparently. I've had HIV with fake documents.
Don't say
My
y'all say
sister Stone
Zeus
has an
is
HIV.
wrong.
Mezzy had a fucking child.
Okay, maybe y'all getting misconstrued. This is it. This is. I'm Royce. That's Charlie. I'm Royce.
Exactly.
That's Polly. This is Zeus in the video. This Zeus. Do you understand the difference between all the people? Everybody not the same one person, okay? Girl, get it right.
That had to be interviewed. Thank you, MSB. She had a child that had to be
Right,
interviewed. Her fucking child had to be interviewed because a bitch went down to the police station and said that her older child was fucking on another child. That's trauma for the rest of them children's lives. Bitch, get out of my room, I'm real scared.
They crazy.
Give a fuck if they hear me or not. And y'all think I'm gonna sit up here and be like,
what's crazy is they're gonna be the same people. What's up, Miss Norfleet and Zeus Live tomorrow? Get them. They're gonna be the same ones. Why they mad? Don't be mad in here. Be mad over there. Get them right. They're gonna be the same ones in the line. Soon as some tea pop, they'll be right up in there. Stop it. Stop the antics.
oh my god, little fools. The madness is gonna end when a bitch learns to motherfucking have their
For the
child
fake
taken,
outrage.
bitch.
But girl, hello.
I don't give a fuck.
Don't say black people, boo.
It ain't got nothing to do with black. Exactly. It ain't got nothing to do with black. These are all victims of her raft. No tea, no shade. In his case, may not be the most victim or whatever. He feel like he can handle it or whatever. But a lot of us went through a lot of traumatic events behind that girl terrorizing us on the internet. And not only that, starting a lot of rumors and different things like that. Okay. For instance, he's saying, she keeps saying, I got this and HI.
She
That's
said the
his
same
defense.
about me. Mm-hmm.
And then she just called the FBI on him the night prior. She called the cops on him. So for them to do the same thing in retaliation, I don't know. I gotta keep explaining things. Now, this is what I'm saying. I'm not taking up for Zeus at all. He is dead wrong. Wrong on all levels, all parts. But she wrong too.
Mm-hmm.
She wrong too. But I'm just saying, I'm just letting her to see what's the ones and twos and the threes that's been going on in the Big O streets. No shade. Y'all make sure y'all go to the Big O T Royce game page for all the latest hottest and juiciest tea.
I'm not doing it. I don't play police games and I
We're
don't
not
call the
piggybacking off
cops.
of, we just
It's
showing
not
it.
my nature.
This ain't giving me nothing.
Rock the
They
post
are.
up.
And how many minutes ago did this happen? This is happening currently, right now. Y'all mad? Y'all in y'all feelings? Summer Jewel, how you feeling about it? It don't have nothing to do with me. Mind you, I just mentioned shit that had to do with me.
No, thank
It don't
you.
have nothing to do with me. Mind you, I just mentioned shit that had to do with me. I just mentioned a whole bunch of shit that had to do with me.
This fresh hot tea.
She didn't get off live. She got banned. How y'all feeling? I'm happy too. I'm feeling great. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling great.
The salad fries.
I don't give a fuck if any of you bitches unfollow me, ho. Give a fuck. Unfollow me. I don't give two shits, bitch. Because y'all selective as fuck. So y'all can unfollow me and keep it moving, bitch. Because we good over
I
here.
don't even fuck with Zeus, but shit. Leah do her dirty stuff, so it is what it is.
That's what I'm saying. I'm trying to see why the girls are gagging, why the girls are mad.
Okay, thanks.
I'm a pause because he was on the phone giving up a lot of information. And this was the same live where they leaked Leah's social and the baby's social as well. So they was on live giving the baby social out
Oh,
and
so
Leah's
that
social
really
out.
did happen. So I
Oh
thought
yeah,
that somebody said it was alleged. I didn't know if the social was for real.
It's in here. I just was scared to post it because they kept repeating it in the
So,
live.
girl,
So I chopped that part of the
the
video
social can
off.
be available that fast for a baby. I thought it take like maybe like a month or so.
Like a month or so, right? I don't know if the number was accurate
I
or what,
don't
but she
know.
did confirm that that was her real number. She said that was her
Oh,
real number.
oh my God.
Mm-hmm. So y'all, it just is what it is in the streets, honey. All these people are at raft, like they're at raft, they're at war. Like it's crazy. It's
Somebody said it
crazy.
took 2 weeks for them for their baby. Dang.
Mm-hmm. And then did you see why she confirmed that how she just blew up? Did you catch that
Oh
too?
yeah, I definitely recap. Yeah, I played that part and I was laughing when she was crying.
Mm-hmm. We had
Quietly
that.
was
Okay,
good.
good on the docket.
I was enjoying. You know, I
So that's what
definitely had
made her
to
blow
recap
up
that.
like that.
Oh,
Mm-hmm.
yeah,
Cause
I
he was
knew
over
that.
there.
I didn't know if it was for sure, but now I get why she was crying. Okay, wow, that's
Yeah,
cute.
that why she. I mean, crying, hollering, screaming, and yelling. She was losing it, baby. It was a lot going on that week. I had to bring the girls the tea. She
Yeah, I
lost
had
it.
a
All
good time
marbles was
watching that.
off.
I had a great time watching.
Ooh. Cause I mean, imagine how other people feel. Y'all, when she uploading fake news and leaking addresses and leaking phone numbers and taking people to court and wasting tax dollars and everything like that. It's the biggest bullies that want to call the police. Imagine how everybody else feel.
Man,
Make it make sense. How you gonna be a thug then call the cops for help? Make it what? Never seen it. Never knew they existed like that. These thugs nowadays, they built different. They built a little different. You take that heat, you take that wrath and everything that you made for yourself. You created this lane for yourself. Nobody tell you to come on here and exploit
and then
your kids
Leah
and
doxed
use your
me.
pregnancy. And
People keep forgetting she doxed me. Leah doxed me. She leaked my. She repeated. I don't know. People. She keeps saying I wasn't the first one, but you still repeated it. You posted my
help
social.
is supposed to be your
You hacked
friend
into my Experion account.
after you
So
helped her. After you helped her fight and you helped her mace, you had two people on you. Nobody wouldn't find her. You had two people jumping on you to protect her. After you did all that, it still had the audacity and the nerve to try to leak your information. Y'all, y'all gonna have to play the violin for somebody else. Y'all gonna have to give it to somebody else who cares. Cause I mm, mm,
because we don't care, baby.
don't. I don't see this
We don't.
person do a lot to people. The other day, Dre Baby trying to help her with advice, lively advice. She read Dre Baby's dead mom. Talking about if you wish your mama could be here, can your mama be here? She talked about Dre Baby's dead parent. Like,
Yeah, I saw that. I was like, that's so rude.
I have no reason. You're gonna have to give that story to somebody else. No tea. No shade.
Hey,
You
DIA,
got to
not
give it
you
to somebody
mad, but
else.
we don't even know you and you mad. Hey, how does it feel to
Well,
be
get the
mad in the
get the
car?
killing deal. Get the killing.
Right.
Go ahead.
We still alive.
I'm
Bitch.
bringing the right. Who goes that far? Now you want to kill, so that makes you worse than the people that's doing it. You want to
Ooh,
kill
now
everybody.
Angelica got on live today. Ooh, I got some stuff to get into today. Yeah.
If you that mad that you want to kill somebody, you worse than them. Because all they did was call the SWAT team, which was bad. But still, you want to actually kill somebody. You kind of
Mm,
sick. Something's wrong with you. You need help. You need prayer. You're worse than them. Hmm.
girl. But sister, I'm gonna let you can finish your show. But this was
Yeah, we
nice.
wrapping
This
up.
was a nice collaboration. I gotta go. I gotta go take a break. But I'm gonna come take over for the night shift later on. But this was fun. Royce, you take over. You
You
finish.
see
Bye, Auntie Imp. I'll see you later. I'll see you later, cousin. All right. Bye,
Yes. Okay.
PolyGod. Bye, you all. Bye, Royce
See you
Gang
later, my
Angels.
baby.
I'm gonna see y'all tonight.
Okay, y'all. Y'all, woo! When I tell you it was a lot, it was a lot, it was a lot. I got a million people in the queue, but when I was trying to let y'all up, to let y'all speak y'all piece and everything like that, honey, y'all was all confused. Y'all ain't know what was going on. Y'all ain't had nothing to say. I've been trying to let y'all up. How the queue back full again? Are y'all making a mistake? Lady D, haters gonna hate. Deacon is Deborah, Cuffy D. I don't think y'all know y'all down there because I'm trying to see how we on 20 people again. Purple. Miss Beautiful, Miss Mona. Okay, y'all leave. Okay, I knew it was a scam or whatever the case may be. All right. No shade, no tea. Cause that was a part of the Royce review. All of this content, all of this greatness was a part of the Royce review. And y'all already know how I have to shut down the show. We are going back to a single live, and we may have to line up with him as later. That was a glitch. The phone across the room. Okay, love it. Just to go ahead and close us out, y'all. If y'all want to send some gifts right now, if y'all got last minute questions for PolyGod, let it be known in the comments. But this was part of the Rush review. It is closing, but we are going to move on to a single live to continue on dropping the hottest and the latest and the juiciest tea. Let's get into it. Hey, Biggs.